Oh my god, we are so freaking back! Guys, it's time for our weekly podcast. And today, it's PACU 2024. Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh, look at these fuckers. Nay, we've been doing this shit for so long. Ganyan pa rin kayo, okay?
Let's go!
Isa pa! PACU 2024! Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
I don't feel it, bro. I don't feel it.
You don't have
Ano ba
to feel it,
nangyari,
bro.
guys? Ganyan ba kalala yung 2024 para sa inyo?
Yes.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
God damn.
God damn it, bro.
Yeah. Actually, among all the years na ginawa namin to, I think PACU 2024 is like literally fuck you. We hate this shit.
Biggest fuck
I
you
will-
ever, bro.
To be honest, hindi ako masyadong nagtatanda ng mga years. Like if tanungin mo ako, ano nangyari ng 2021, 2023 and all that, wala akong maalala ko eh. Siguro 2022, maalala ko lang kasi COVID. But the other years before and after that, wala. Until dumating tong 2024. And whoo boy! Was it so fucked up. Okay? So, pag-usapan namin today sa PACU 2024 is basically the worst moments of our fucking life noong 2024. The best moments, if meron man. And our plans coming into 2025. Okay? Are you guys ready for that?
Yes.
Ako naman yung
Oh,
nag-uusap dito.
sir.
Where is my feedback? Oh my God, guys.
Yes,
come on.
sir. Yes,
That's
sir.
why we're falling off,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is podcast. This is a comeback
Jesus
podcast.
Christ.
Yes,
How is it
sir.
a comeback? How is it a comeback? It's a
Yes,
weekly
sir.
podcast. What do you mean? Last week, ano yung last week natin?
Exactly.
Ken?
Every week is a
Fuck,
comeback
Mary Kill.
podcast. No, diba?
Ano yun? Fuck, Mary Kill, though,
Yes.
diba? That was last week, guys.
Last week.
Jesus. That was
Mandela
last
effect.
week, come on.
Mo po yung editor na
Diba?
ngayon lang in-edit.
Ano yung fuck ko? I fuck onions and I marry garlic or something. I forgot. But that was a week ago. Alright. So, guys, kumusta muna natin yung mga boys? Alright. Let's start with Trinil. Kasi I think
Ba't ako?
Trinil had basta ikaw. Okay? Ikaw na. So, yun. Ako yung host eh. Go, Trinil. It's your time to shine, bro.
Ano ulit tanong mo?
Tangin mo, hindi nakikinig yung gago to. Putang ina. Man, holy shit.
Inano
We
ko
are
lang,
off to a
minake sure
good
ko lang.
fucking
Okay,
start.
minake sure ko
Nah,
lang.
man. O, sige.
Okay.
Sige, hindi ko na iulit yung tanong ka. Ano?
Ayos lang naman.
Safe answer. Bro, what's going on with you, man? Come on. What's going on with you?
Sa 2024?
Bigay mo yung
Not
highlights.
really 2024. I'm just
Kumusta
asking
ka?
you,
Kumusta ka, okay?
What's going on? What's your vibe right now, bro? What's going on, man?
Kumusta ka ngayon?
Ayos naman. Paano ba sabihin to?
I will kill you, man.
Kasi nga. Okay. Sabihin natin, I'm doing slightly good, but not that good.
Yan.
Okay.
What do you mean, man?
But still, I am alive. I am playing basketball. I am moving freely, you know. And that's all it matters, you know.
Bakit nag-English din nila?
Ay, sorry.
Ay,
Damn,
nag-evolve.
Oh, bro.
It's like a freaking banter.
That's a
Reform na daw
sign.
siya, reform.
That's actually a sign like he's actually doing good, bro. Nag-English. Nako po, tumawag na po
Ito.
yung ano.
Oh,
Yung
shit.
host sa Alice, kita mo. Gandang panimula to, ha? Ganda,
Hello.
hello, sa labas na ako. Ina mo, kanina pa ako dito.
Puta, nag-hit si Idol.
Puking
Hindi
ina
ko
mo.
XLR.
Yung parcel mo, ang bigat. Ina, dapat L3. Motor to, gago.
Ang galing na podcast natin.
Oh my God.
Wait, lalala sa ako.
Ito, bibirahin ko lang siya sa labas, ha?
Yeah, biray mo.
Bibirahin ko lang.
Sorry about that. Dumating yung puki mong cards ko.
Putang
Okay,
ina,
saan tayo?
addicted, bro.
Trinil.
Trinil pa rin.
kamusta? Ulitin ko yung tanong ko, Trinil. Kamusta ka? Ano nangyari sa buhay-buhay natin?
Ayos
Kumusta
lang naman.
Oh, ayos ka lang. O sige na, tawa na.
Ayos lang naman.
Nah, bro, like, there's a reason why I'm asking Trinil kasi I feel like Trinil has the most interesting year.
Alright, okay.
among
2024?
everyone. Okay, that's why
This
I'm...
2025 ba 2024?
2024, like moving up till this podcast, which is eto ngayon, January 1, 2025. Oh, good.
Okay, ayos naman ako ng 2024. I survived the 2024 and napunta ko ang wife ko sa Japan. Yay!
Wait, what was this year?
Yeah.
Holy shoot.
Just,
Akala ko nag-Taiwan kayo.
yeah, Taiwan and Japan.
Wow, God, wala talaga si Trident.
Paldogs na paldogs.
Yun.
Manager na. Manager
How
na.
was Japan, bro? How
Ayun,
was Japan with
ubos.
Suzette, bro?
Ubus.
Ubos ang alin.
Ubus ang
Ubos ang
pag-ubus.
alin.
Ay, wala
Ano
nga.
yun?
Ubus
okay.
nga.
Pero it was worth it, you know, the experience. Ano yung tanong mo?
Hindi, wala. Sabi
How's
lang namin,
Japan,
ubos yung
ganun?
ano.
How's Taiwan?
How's Japan? Yun nga. Yeah, how's Japan? How was your trips? Ngayong year lang kita nakitang naggala-gala.
Sulit. So, pinuntahan namin syempre yung usual mga pinupuntahan.
Mhm.
At alam mo yung meme na yung pag nakita mo na, alright, okay, next one.
What? What do you
Kunyari,
mean?
Osaka Castle, pumunta kami.
Oh.
Ay, nakita na namin. Okay, next.
So, okay na. Parang, okay, I've seen it. I'm done.
Ay,
Okay
ay,
na. Good,
ganun.
alright, okay.
Pero nakalibot
okay.
kayong maayos, worth it. Every penny, alam mo yun.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
hopefully makabalik ulit. But for now, kaya may metro ko,
Mhm.
pumupunta-punta ako sa norte.
Okay.
At yun, malalaman nyo bakit. Feeling ko alam na ng iba, nakapanood na to. Pero yung ibang mga Tri-Nation, alam na kung bakit. Alright?
Shout out sa mga Tri-Nations dyan.
Subscribers.
Okay, sana all alam nila. Kami hindi namin alam eh.
At ano pala, yun, I think consistent na ako mag-live. Yes. I think as a 35 live stream na ako.
Damn, of course you
Yeah,
are.
Like
bro.
1 month?
In 1 month?
In a
Tatay,
month?
Yeah, hanggang
Kinamat.
ngayon. Yes.
Damn!
Dami, bro.
Yeah, he do be popping, guys. Grabe.
Right.
O, diba? See? O, yan yung mga gusto kong sagot. Sunod. Si ano, yun na ba? You're good?
Basketball, yes. Basketball na rin ako.
Basketball.
Yun rin, consistent na rin sa pagbabola, workout. Kaya sino humamon sa akin, tara, ina nyo, kupal.
Dilong
ka.
bam.
Joke lang.
Dilong bam.
Dilong bam. Pinakawag ko ni Tridel.
Ayoko,
Ikaw na lang
medyo
hinihintay
ano
niya.
yun eh.
Wala ka pala eh. Wala ka pala eh. Hindi mo pala kaya.
Alam mo yun, ito lang, hindi ko lang siya nakakasabay kung saan man ako naglalaro. Pero kung makakasabay ko man siya, good luck sa kanya.
Wow! Only here. Clip dash. Only here. In Pinoy's podcast. Oh my God. Pag ikaw natalo ni Mr. Longbob, I will never...
Will disown you.
We will disown you.
Ganun na ako sa
And we will
bayag,
never
nambabayag
let it
yun
die.
eh.
We will disassociate.
Napapayag yun eh.
We are from-
Nanggaganon yun, gumaganon lang yun.
Mr.
Nagkarate ka
Longbob
na lang.
ilalagay namin dito sa podcast. Hindi ka na.
Mr. Long, Mr. Lowball.
Mr. Longbob.
Yo, bro. Puta mo naman ganyan yung idol ko.
Paano yung posing? Posing.
Damn, bro.
Pero yan.
Alright.
I'm happy, I'm good.
Okay, sunod. Let's go to, Ken.
Me?
Ken, oh yes.
Kumusta?
You.
Yan.
Kung sinilip, slightly okay. I'm not very okay. Oh. Tangina. Basta, yung last year is like, my toughest year.
Your toughest year.
Yes,
Damn.
may challenging
you know what
year.
they say? Sabi nga nila, like, God gives the toughest challenges to their toughest,
Human
Soldier.
being.
Why me?
God's toughest soldier ka pa.
Why me? Basta, and ano pa ba?
Like, ano ba kasi nangyari sa'yo? Like,
Yung
give us
baha.
a-
Basta, more in detail sa mamaya. Baha.
Okay, mamaya.
Yung putang inang usok ay yung sunog dito sa gilid namin. Like, what the fuck? Ano pa ba?
2 times ba? Nangyari.
That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it.
Lahat. Marami. Sunod.
Gaga magiging avatar na yun si Ken.
Inang yan.
Like,
Dalawa na lang
wind,
ulang.
Water, wind, fire ko lang na. Lindol na lang. Para ma-earth.
Earth na lang.
Earth na lang, gagi. Nice.
Yeah.
Gagi, lumindol na rin eh. Alam ko lumindol na
Lumindol
rin
ba?
din eh.
Hindi ko naramdaman eh.
Hindi ganun ka.
Hindi ganun kalakas.
Hindi ko ramdam, hindi ko ramdam.
Gusto pala yung malala para mag-earthbender.
Yun lang akin. Okay, I'm gonna detail na lang mamaya. Natira.
Okay, sige. Alright, so later.
Commercial! Gusto mo bang maging hari ng pirata? O gusto mong magka-TT Racing X One Piece chair? Or gusto mo ng table na gumagalaw? Well, di talaga siya gumagalaw. Tumataas. Wait, pakita ko ba? Tumataas baba. Pwes, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check out the link on the description. At magkaka-discount pa kayo pag bumili kayo ng TT Racing products pag ginamit nyo ang aming link. Check nyo dyan at para masimulan nyo na ang comfort journey nyo. Back to the video.
Okay, next, Chris.
Hmm?
What's going on with you?
Nothing much.
Like, what are we looking forward to hearing from you today?
Nothing much.
Nah, bro. You're cooking something. What's going on?
What do you mean I'm cooking something? I'm
Okay,
nothing
tamo,
much.
pin-
There's definitely something that happened.
bagong pintura, bagong pinto. Damn, bro.
Damn, bro.
See, bro.
He's living the life, bro.
Di ba ikaw yun? Di ba ikaw yung try nila?
Ano, ayan, kita mo yung background mo.
Puting-puti.
Puting-puti.
Ganyan, hindi ba yan ganyan dati?
Hindi ko alam, hindi ganyan yun.
Dati
Hindi
pa
ganyan
yan.
yun.
Dati pa yan. Tanga na, ikaw yun eh.
Bagong
Nagre-reflect
pintura.
ka lang eh. Nagre-reflect ka lang eh.
Hindi.
Hindi
kamusta ka?
Nagpo-project gago.
Kamusta ka, ha?
Well, for me, it was 2024. It's a stagnant year for nothing really good, nothing really bad, but mostly on bad. Money is really hard these days. So, as of the moment, I kind of took another corporate job. I started a corporate job this January, just to
Kaya
like
mo yung mukha ni nila.
keep myself afloat. By the way, shout out sa'yo, Boss Aris.
Keeping you alive.
Napakabait mong senior.
Shoutout po sa...
Shoutout po, boss. Boss, shoutout
Wag
sa'yo,
niyo po
boss.
siyang ipapired.
Taasan niyo yung sweldo ni Chris.
Kailangan niya ho.
Shout out po sa iyo
Tangina mo,
for
huwag
making
sabihin mo.
Chris another corporate rat. Okay.
Wag yung po siyang papaalisin.
Yung mukha ni Nil.
Promote niyo po, promote.
Promote
Tama.
mo agad.
Okay,
Kung gusto mo, boss, kung mabait ka po, boss, mag-quit ka na. Palit natin si Chris sa'yo.
I agree.
Hey.
Kaya niya yan. Okay.
Yun lang. I have a new job. That's it.
Nice. Congrats, Chris.
Congrats, Chris. Tawa.
Congrats, Chris.
Tawa.
We're happy for you guys. Congrats.
And also, I'm addicted to
Come-
Marvel Rivals.
Well, that was just, okay. Tawa.
Oh, shit.
You heard it from him, guys. Addicted na siya. You guys have no idea how addicted he is, pero mamaya, we'll go through it. Again,
Ano ba
Chris,
natin
kung-
mga addiction natin? Ganun.
Mamaya. Ako, wala akong addiction.
Ulul.
Oh,
Alex.
ulul.
Ako wala akong masishare. Kaya, pero interested ako malaman ko ng kinakaadikan niya ngayon. Anyway, congrats! Get it? Congrats. Chris Rats.
Chris Frank 09.
Alright, okay, next. John, say the thing.
Bro, okay lang. Okay lang naman.
There you go.
That's it.
Okay na.
Oh, that's
Very
it.
good.
Okay lang yun.
Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to hear.
Ang
Alright,
ina yung sinabi ko
guys.
kanina ya. Kingina
Nah,
mo.
that's not your
Ayos lang.
thing, okay? That's
That's
not
his
your
thing,
line.
Ayos
Okay,
lang.
that's-
Nothing
ayos
much.
sa'yo.
Okay lang.
Mm-mm.
Kay Ken.
Oh,
May detail yung kay Ken.
Mamaya.
guys, 2024, am I right? It was so bad.
It's
was
a long
so
year.
bad.
Hindi ko na na-realize. It
It
was
was
a
a long
long
year.
ass year, bro. Kami nangyari pala.
Mm-mm. So like, ano ba? We'll
Careful,
start with
careful.
we're gonna start with our worst moments of 2024.
Damn, we're starting with worst?
Worst. Syempre, I don't want to end with the worst fucking.
Damn,
Syempre
okay.
sa ano tayo, we're gonna end this in a more.
So malungkot
hopeful-
muna before masumaya.
ano,
Oo,
parang
tama.
teleserye. Tama.
Yeah, let's get all the bad shit out of there and then pasukan natin ng mga okay. All right. So, worst moments, before I ask each and every one of you guys like yung worst moment, I just want to give a tribute to probably the worst fucking moment for our community, for us mismo. Ayun, we lost a brother. Okay, siguro most of our communities has been asking this din kung may tribute tayo kay Leland aka Shaloko Loco. Like that was really effed up yung nangyari yun. Like we did not expect that to happen. It really hit us hard, like all of us. And hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin kami maka move on and get over. So we want to take this time to like give him a quick tribute din. Kasi I feel like everyone here, their lives have changed. Like yung buhay pa si Leland, he changed our lives. Like he had like a huge role in our lives. And then yung nawala siya, naramdaman namin talaga yung parang effect ng nawala ang isang Leland sa ating mga buhay. So maybe I'll start off. Like just to give you guys an idea of how much my life has changed na wala na si Leland. Okay. First off, goddamn, wala na nag-ayos na PC ko.
Takina, sabi na yan, sasabihin mo eh.
Same, bro.
Wala na
Same.
nag-ayos na PC ko. Why did you have to leave us, man? Like, dude, wala na, hindi na magagalaw tong
man.
PC na to. Okay.
It'll be like
Okay,
that, bro.
Like, bro, I met Leland nung parkour days pa. I never knew he was a tech guy until nung nag-start ako sa YouTube career ko. Pero nung nag-start ako sa YouTube career ko, he was the one who fixed up my PC. Yung pinakauna kong PC, like, he was there nung condo days ko pa. Siya nagbuo nun. And up till this day, supposedly, siya yung parang go-to tech guy natin. Nang lahat. Okay? I'm not just talking about my PC. Like, tanungin mo yung mga ibang mga tao sa tech industry, sa PC industry, content creation industry. Siguro like a huge percentage of those content creators, inano ni, like, may bahid ng ano ni Leland, tulong ni Leland sa mga PC nila. Like, your freaking PCs wouldn't be alive right now without that guy. So, yeah, I mean, like, building a PC in general para sa akin was super hard, and I don't know, sobrang skill issue, but Leland made it so easy for me to like transition from here tapos papunta sa UK. Dinadala ko yung PC ko, tinuruan niya ako paano magbuo. He was super patient with teaching me how to build it, and never siya nagreklamo. Ako yung nagreklamo lagi. So, ayun, man, Leland, thanks for everything, dude. Thanks for teaching me the ways. Also for siya rin yung handyman natin dito sa sa PR house. Like if may problema, like he would fix it if he can. He fixed my itong table na to na gawa niya yan. And maasahan mo lang talaga siya. Maasahan mo siya for pretty much anything. Okay, not just for handiworks but also for companionship, friendship. Like he was just a cool guy. Like, not gonna lie, he's like one of the coolest guys I've ever met. So, ayun. How about you guys? Like, well, what do you guys want to share about Leland? Like, how did he affect your life and change nung wala siya?
At first, I'm really scared of Leland. The moment I saw him,
Oh,
personally,
same.
I was really
Same.
scared. I was really intimidated because he has this
Gago, ganyan siya na lahat eh.
Daura.
like this
yeah,
aura,
yeah.
like this bulky, tapos yung kanyang mukha is like, kala mo laging galit. Yeah. But
Yeah, same.
once you get to know him, like once you get to know him, you never thought now you have a lot of things in common with that guy. Like, for example, I like Warhammer. He likes Warhammer, and then also all of a sudden we're fucking friends now. Kasi dati medyo iniiwasan ko si Leland dati nung nasa
Same.
PR
Punta
ako
sa
eh.
Discord. It's intimidating, bro.
Yeah.
Kaya nga,
No.
nung pumunta ako dito, takot ako eh. Dun sa PR. I was so fucking scared, bro.
Welcome to the club.
What? Why? Well, it's like,
Like kasi like
Gago talaga siya.
di ba may problema tayo sa internet? Like kami may problema sa internet. Sabi ko, tanga kay Leland. No, you go to Leland.
You go to Leland.
I remember that. I never understood why you guys were scared of Leland. Like, I get it. He's an unapologetic asshole. Okay, shout out to you, Leland. Okay, you know that. Like, ano talaga siya, parang direkta. He won't give you any
Straight to the point
bullshit.
siya pag may sinabi siya.
Straight to the point siya. Ganun lang talaga. Like, sobrang prangka niya. And I think that's what I like about him. Like, sobrang authentic niya. Pero like, okay, sige. I guess, I get it. Yun nga yung intimidating. Siguro pag first time mo siya makilala.
Parang what the fuck, bro? This guy's gonna
What the
bully me,
fuck,
guys.
bro?
This guy's gonna bully me, bro.
That's just him. He would talk to you like an asshole, pero it's not personal. Like, parang ganun lang talaga. Sobrang direct lang yung ano niya. Like, if he doesn't like anything, he'll say it, pero he wouldn't take it personally. He wouldn't put it past you or against you. Ganun. But anyway, sige, go.
Yun na yun.
Yeah, go. Yun na yun? What?
Yun na yun.
That was it, bro.
Alam ko
Yun
naman.
Yun na yung para sa akin.
Yeah, like, what's your like fondest memory of him then?
I think it's the Warhammer stuff. Yeah.
The Warhammers.
Yeah, every time there's like an update sa Warhammer, it's like, yo, bro, check this out. Like,
Kala ko
Killian
yung
is
ano eh.
alive.
Kala ko yung ba't ka ganun eh, joke.
Kaya pala ganyan ka eh. Kaya pala ganyan eh.
Ba't ka ganun?
It was a next level rage bait. Why you mad? It was so fun, bro. Yun lang.
Alright.
That was it. That was something, bro.
Ikaw, Ken, like, what's your
Ako, may
fondest
fondest
memory of him?
mo. Not really fondest, pero pag naalala ko, natatawa ako kasi tama siya sa sinasabi niya kasi nung bumili ako computer, puta, ang mahal na ibang component ko, so pinapagalitan niya ako, ito dapat binili mo, ganyan. Tapos, siya nag-build ng PC ko eh. Tapos, siya yung usually pag every 6 months, siya yung pinapalinis ko ng
Release.
computer ko. Yeah, every time siya pinatawag ko.
Nililinis niya yung PC.
Yes.
Damn, okay.
Tapos ano pa ba? Yun nga, yung una, nung first meeting ko kay Leland, tatatakot talaga ako kasi ayoko kasi nung nasa Discord siya parang masyado siyang lakas boses. Kaya tatatakot yung kay Leland.
Para sa mga kain.
Tapos nung pumunta ako dun sa PR, parang ayoko siyang kitain, gano'n. Pero sabi ko, fuck, na. Pagkasalubong ko siya, parang natatakot na ako.
Bibirahin ka agad.
Ganun talaga siya.
He has that aura, pero puta na, that guy is a golden retriever.
Yeah, he's the GOAT, bro.
Yeah, he is a golden
Yun yung golden retriever.
Tapos pero nung nakilala ko na siya, he's just a chill guy, Straight to the point, just chill.
Just a chill guy.
It's just a chill guy.
Pero yun nga.
Yeah, he is literally a chill guy, Sabi ni Neil.
That's it.
Akala ko sasabihin mo yung moment na pumasok sa labas. Okay.
No, bro! Putang ina.
That was a legendary clip daw, bro.
Goated, man. That's goated.
That was a goated clip. Everyone's gonna remember that for years to come.
That's gonna be immortalized, man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Ikaw, John, what can you say about Leland?
Pareho kami na-experience lahat. Ganun.
Ay,
Ganun na talaga siya.
Pero hindi.
Puta na yung...
Really natin.
Legit. Nung nasa Cebu pa ako, sabi niya, puta na, pupunta ka sa Manila bukas. Tayo mapupugbugin kita. Gagawa na sa akin. Kala kasi inaway ko sa nun Kung signan niya ako, gano'n sa dun. Sa kondo ni Gloco. Sa akin.
That's so weird because I met him and I literally have no memory na parang ganun siya.
Well, bro, the
Siyempre,
difference
common
between
interest
you and us is because you met him you're at school, okay?
That's
Yeah,
true.
siyempre.
Kami sa
He did not give that aura nung sa school yung parang ganun.
Maybe we just got old.
He had like that, parang for for the longest time, parang yun nga yung golden retriever vibe yung pinakita niya sa akin nung simula pa lang. That's why hindi ko na napansin yung parang he's being an asshole to everyone. That was just something na parang, okay, every gamer is like this in-game. Kaya let's say for example, yun nga, parang pag nasa PR house ako, tapos sabihin ko sila Ken or sila John or si Chris, puntahan mo kasi yung internet natin, ganyan. And they were like, no, I don't wanna go in there, bro.
Palitan.
Wag, ayoko. No, you go. Like, why are you guys afraid of this guy? But yeah.
Yes.
Yun.
Ayun lang.
Ano pa dyan?
That was it, bro.
Damn. Okay.
Marami pa Sobrang dami pa Yes,
meron pa.
I think lahat ng ko sa PC ngayon galing sa kanya.
Lahat naman halos tayo lahat. Pag lalabas tayo, paglalabas ako. Pabili nga ako ng Sting. Sabay mo na rin nung isa, yung favorite niyang Namuta ko yung cheesy. Favorite niya lagi. Yun yung lagi
yun yung combo niya.
Combo niya yung lagi.
Cheesy.
Yeah.
Deadly combo yun. Putik. 2 Sting. Tapos cheesy. Always.
God damn.
That was something.
I was always joking with Leland na parang, okay, you know what? One of these days, you're just gonna die because of a heart attack. Dahil sa Tapos, kakasting. Alam mo yung tapos yung that day na tinawagan ako ni John na like, Leland's dead. And I'm like, oh my, alam mo yung unang pumasok sa isip ko, oh you fucking stupid asshole. Ina ka, did you, I'm talking about Leland. Sabi ko, you stupid asshole. I told you, stop fucking drinking Sting. Tapos tinama, look at what happened. Tapos hinintay ko na lang sabihin mo na, like, because of a heart attack. If that was it, I would be super disappointed. But the reality was even more disappointing. I don't even want to talk about like the reason why he died. But it was para sa akin, it's like the saltiest way para sa akin. Like it was the most unfair freaking way to go. But and almost ironic too. Just sucks, man. He went away too freaking soon. Neil, ikaw, like your fondest memory of Leland?
Hindi sa hindi about sa computer yung ko sa kanya about sa rides.
Oh.
Yun nga.
Lagi kasing nag-aaya yun. Mag-ride sa tabi-tabi. And siya rin yung laging parang pinapagalitan ako pag hindi ako nagsisignal, pag hindi ako nag-helmet, pag nagmamabilis ako, pag naging kamote ko sa motor. And one time na nag-ride nga kami, pumunta kami sa Fisher Mall. Kumain kami ng ng noodles doon, yung ramyun. Oo, tapos nagre-record pa siya. Tapos marami pa kaming pinuntahan nun. Then, tuwing uuwi ako, mag-aaya ngayon ng Dota. Kaya nga ako nagdo-Dota nun dahil siya, nag-aaya siya sa akin. Nag-aaya sa akin nun.
Nambuburaot pa na items.
Dota na. Uy, pahiram nga. Oo, alam ko nangihiram pa ng items. Uy, akin na lang yung Razor mo. Sige ako. Yung mga immortal na na skin.
Yeah.
Sige, yan, immortal na items. Okay lang ako, di ko naman ginagamit. So, yun. Ako naman di ko naging ganun yung first impression ko kay Leland. Feeling ko may ano rin naman kasi kami. Kasi di ba, pag nawawalan ng internet, ako rin naman ang pumupunta doon at kinakausap, inaano yung router. Tol, ano ba, nakasaksak ba yung router ng PLDT? Ganun.
Like, you guys are the IT peeps. So, like, pupunta man ako doon, di ko maintindihan yung mga i-explain ni Leland.
Pero, yun nga. Before that day, kinausap ako ni Leland. Nag-usap kami about keyboards. Tapos, sinabi niya sa akin, pupunta ako sa event bukas. Tara.
Yung Grand Lason.
Yeah, tara. Sabi niya sa akin ganun. Ako, alam mo yun, sana umuo ko. Pero ang ano kasi parang puyat din ako and may ginagawa rin ako that day. Sabi ko. At titignan ko ako, tatry ko. Then, yun na yung huling usapan namin. Then, nagpa-usapan pa kami about sa gym sa harap na inaayos. Oo, nililinis niya yung mga gamit sa gym, yung mats.
Oo.
'Di ba? Kaya yun, nag-usap kami habang naglilinis siya. Kasi nga gusto niya magtayo ng gym sa harapan. And sobrang sobrang chill lang. Then yun nga, biglang ganun. So after that, ala na like kami na dyan, ala na sa motor kasi kami naman na magkakasama nagmamotor eh. So,
parang yung idea ko lang dun is na inspire ako sa magmotor dahil kay Leland and kay Neil. Tapos si Leland yung nagtuturo sa akin. So imagine mo lang yun. The impact of that, bro. Yung nagtuturo sa'yo about safety and everything, bro.
That's true.
Same alam ko, here, may video pa siya nung alam ko angkas ko si Gian. Alam ko yun.
Kasama pa natin sila kaso.
Tapos nung nagtatatlo pa kami nila dyan sa kanila nun sa ano. Nagtatatlo kami sa motor na kasya tayo nun.
Sira yung ano ko nun.
Oy, sa'yo ba? Sa akin nata yun.
Kay Neil tsaka sa'yo.
Oo, sa akin sarang-sira na yung kinginan na yan. Fun times, grabe.
That was still kind of salty about that. Yeah, like, really salty about that. Kasi yun nga, di ba kayo? Halos lahat tayo parang gusto magmotor dahil si Leland nang lalason magmotor.
May balak din ako dun eh.
And then parang ako nagmamotor na rin ako pero hanggang ngayon nagmamotor ako and then it's like nagmamotor ako dahil it's my tribute to Leland din. Kasi ako, takot ako sa motor before, but for some reason, nalason ako magmotor because of something. Hindi ko pa rin ni-reveal ngayon. But, like, a huge part, siguro like 90% of the reason gusto ko magmotor or parang confident ako na mag-start magmotor was because of Leland. Kasi alam ko, he will be there to mentor me. He will be there to like teach me the ropes and to take me to places and all that.
Wag maging kamote.
And wag maging kamote. Like it's just so man, I'm so salty na parang like he absolutely loves motorcycles. Like he is the safest freaking guy. Kung maangkas ako sa kanya, sobrang ano lang ako, what do you call this? Sobrang
chillax.
Comfortable ako, chillax ako. Like dude, paminsan nakatulog nga ako pag nagmotor siya na nakaangkas ako kay kay Leland, which is something bad that you shouldn't do. But yeah, ganun ako ka-safe kay Leland. And it's just so salty na parang the way he left this world was also because of something he loved, which is a motorcycle. So, yun lang. It's hanggang ngayon, I just think it's super unfair na nangyari yun. But yeah, like I understand why you guys don't wanna ride motorcycles anymore. Pero on my part, like ako gusto ko I still want to ride as my tribute to him. Na parang feeling ko he still would want to see me na parang, but of course safely, doble ingat lang. But I still want to feel what he felt when he was still riding motorcycles and the love of it. So I'm gonna continue riding safely, of course. But yeah, and I guess that's why that was what, October. Kaya siguro kung napansin nyo guys, starting October until ngayon, parang humina kami when it comes to like uploads kasi we were super bummed out. Like, we really couldn't move on proper. Hanggang ngayon naman, pero like, ang inisip ko na lang is what would Leland think? Parang he would probably cringe if we continue to be bummed out. So,
gago siya nag-suggest nung sabi kasi may issue kasi doon sa Pinoy's Reacts, okay?
No,
Ano merong issue?
Sabi ni
Ayos
Neil,
siya.
paano tayo magre-record yan? Walang gustong suwawa. Ang pangit naman, dalawa lang, ganun. Gusto niya lahat.
yeah.
Sabi ni Leland, puta na, mag-record ka, ikaw lang mag-isa.
Ginawa ko nga.
Ginawa niya.
Ginawa ko nga.
Ginawa
So, react.
Ginawa niya nga.
So yes, like may ano din siya. Pag wala nang na-upload.
But yeah. Anything else you guys wanna say about Leland?
Ano pa ba?
We miss you,
Ay,
brother.
Siguro, if ever magmamotor man ka ako ulit, siguro hindi na dito sa QC or sa Manila.
QC, oo. Yeah,
Probinsya.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
As in,
True.
fuck.
Mm-mm. Look, like, ako, pag nagmamotor ako ngayon, like, if I see something sketchy, alam niyo na yun. Like, talagang mag-iiwas talaga ako.
Mm-mm.
Like, god damn, like, it gives you a perspective of, like, what not to do talaga. Like, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, sa mga riders dyan, doble ingat lagi. Okay? And,
Just because you
also-
can doesn't mean you should. Tama.
Yeah.
But also like ako nagsabi like the way he basta yun, it wasn't his fault. That's why I'm
Yes.
super salty. I'm so mad. Alam mo yung halo yung lungkot at galit ko sa nangyari. Kasi it was so dumb. Like it wasn't his fault. And ang daming factors, pero I'm just gonna say na parang, god damn, mga barangay dyan at yung mga municipality, fix your fucking roads, okay? Fix the freaking traffic. But god damn, it is, oh my goodness, it's so bad.
It is really stupid. Yung nangyari na yun isang beses, nangyari pa ulit nung sumunod.
Yeah.
After like,
Like,
Yeah.
after a
Oh,
few weeks.
no, not even 2 months, bro.
Not
Weeks na
even.
3 weeks.
Yeah, not
Nangyari
even a
naman ulit.
month.
It's
Another
not-
thing
yeah,
happened on the
it's
same
the
place
road.
where he got the accident. It was so stupid. I know. My goodness. It just I don't wanna know, pero I'm just gonna say na I'm just super salty and angry about the way he died, and I just think hanggang ngayon it's just so unfair. But yeah, what can we do?
life is not
Right now,
fair,
I
bro.
don't know.
Tapos
So,
na.
yun lang, it puts you into a perspective din na parang of all the people, diba? And then also, like, life is super short. Once again, we are reminded life is super short. So, I don't know, make the most
memories.
out of it, I guess.
Make
And,
memories.
like, as much as possible, like, if you want to live a long life then, try and be super extra careful sa mga ginagawa nyo. Yun lang. Be mindful of the things you're doing then. And I guess that's it. We miss you, Leland. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace.
Okay. And usually I would joke around, but I don't want to joke around anymore. For ano na
Siya na si Juggernaut sa...
oo. Mm-mm.
Ano yun? Yung
Sana-
nilalaro niya bago? Paano na siya? Ano yun?
Space Marine.
Space Marine, yeah.
Oo.
Yung last na inaano yun. Space
I just hope na naisikay ka somewhere really good. Okay, yun lang. I hope
Di ba
you
addict si
isikay.
Leland sa Overwatch? Nung nilaro ng una yung Marvel, sabi ko.
Dude, yeah,
This
fucking
guy
Leland
would
would
play.
love
Bastion.
Punisher. He would
Punisher,
Punisher,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, oo,
Punisher,
feeling ko
eh.
kung andito siya,
Bro.
Punisher. Yun.
Punisher, man.
Punisher main.
As a
Mag-aaya yun.
Bastion main,
Oret lang yun.
ano yun. Dude, he's a
Tapos-
comic guy too. Kaya, man, I'm so salty hindi na nabutan Marvel.
Yeah, I know, right?
Iiwan nyo na ako sa silver tapos
Yeah,
lahat
I would-
kayo nasa ano na.
Yeah,
He
I
would be
probably
Grandmaster Lord
Kompleto
Punisher.
sana tayo.
I would
First
be
week,
gladly,
bro!
Yeah, I would gladly play Marvel Rivals with that guy. Fucking hell.
Bro,
Bro
dude, he
had
would
like 2K hours sa Overwatch, you know? 4K hours pata.
Okay.
Puro Bastion.
If anything, man,
Easy
like,
lang sa
parang-
kanya yun.
I just want to say though, na parang if anything, kasi I talked to Zell. Nung nasa UK ako, knowing Leland died, and then that was the time na kakalabas lang ng Space Marine nung
Yeah.
yung Warhammer.
Yung Warhammer,
Kakalabas lang.
nilalaro niya
I knew he was like waiting for that. And I'm like, oh my God, natapos niya ba yun? I was, at the back of my mind, I was thinking, parang, oh my God, sana natapos na yun. Oh my God, kasi that would be super salty. Alam mo yun, parang, let's say for sa namatay ka, di mo na nakita yung One Piece.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that would be fucked up. Now, I talked to Zell, yung partner ni Leland, and yun, sinabi niya nga sa akin, natapos na daw Leland. First week pa lang daw, natapos na na
Yeah,
yung
but that was like
Warhammer.
the only
It's a
thing
short
he played.
campaign.
Yeah.
It's a short
And
campaign.
it was a short campaign, and he was like, he kept replaying the game to help other people, kasi parang may
Oh,
co-op
may
siya.
co-op.
So he was just going online to help other people out with their campaigns. So that was good. What a chat. What a freaking chat.
Damn.
Yan naman yung time na hindi niya na kinaya mag-Dota, yun na. Ano mo na yung Space Marine?
Space Marine.
Baka ako yan.
If anything, yun lang. Parang I'm just happy that he was able to finish that game at least. Okay, may pabao naman siya kahit papaano. But yeah, yun. So, if you guys have any fond memories of Leland, nakita naman namin sa mga comment section yun. But again, if you guys have anything else na nakita, especially to his fellow friends and relatives or family who's watching this, we'd love to read it sa comment section. But yeah, rest in peace, man. So, para sa akin, that was the worst moment. That was the worst moment para sa akin for 2024. That was the so worst, fucked up. Oh, the worst, man.
Unexpected eh.
Everyone's worst.
Para, goddamn, man. Doon ko ma-remember ang 2024. Lalo. Yeah. Man, that's so bad. It happened when I was out of the country. Like, ang dami nangyari nung nawala ako umalis ako sa Pinas, Tangina. Like, I don't know.
Mas maraming mangyayari pag umalis ka ulit. Okay, na yan.
Then, malalaman natin yan next year. Kung ano mangyayari pag nawala naman ako. Yeah, okay. Let's move on to our individual worst moments, I guess. Let's start with Trinil. Anything other than what happened to Leland na masasabi mong worst?
Putang ina, malis.
Okay.
Ano yun?
Okay, we gotta...
He went out.
Kumuha lang ng drinks.
He took his
Alright, game.
yum drink. Game. Ano yun?
Worst moment?
Yeah.
Baha.
Pac-Man.
Ito nakakainis, okay?
Okay. Oh, sige. Go.
Pinaha tayo dito, di ba?
Yup.
Unexpected. Ito ang pinakamataas sa buong compound. And pinasok pa rin. So, inisip ko agad, puta na, paano pa kaya yung mga katabi ko, kayo? Langya na yan. Tapos, humupa na. Kami ni Suset, yung wife ko, naglinis na kami. Malinis yung pumasok eh. Maya-maya, punyeta, tumaas ulit, madumi na yung pumasok. That's the time na ganun na lang kami. We're just waiting. Kasi pag naglinis ulit kami, babalik na naman, nakakayamot na. Then maraming maraming naabutan, mga damit. Buti, hindi inabutan yung mga PC, electronic. But that's the last.
Yeah.
Last shit.
Usapan ba natin to sa previous podcast?
Never.
Na hindi pa, yung Baha 2024 natin. Okay,
Lalo lumalala. And dapat hindi ganun.
Yeah, that's
Dapat
true.
nag-improve.
Mali yun, dapat nag-i-improve pero pabalik tayo. So that's the last string para sa akin. And puti na lang may opportunity dumating. Kahit masakit sa bulsa talaga. For ang ano naman kasi natin dito, hindi lang for money, for peace of mind, mental health. Puking ina, may pera nga, sabog naman yung mental health mo and di ka, alam mo yun, paglabas mo, di mo masusulit paglabas mo, di ka makakahingang maayos, di mo ma-appreciate yung mga hard work mo. Kung paglabas mo, gusto mo ulit pumasok. Puking ina na yan. Di ba? Walang bintana. I mean, I really appreciate etong place ko ngayon. But the thing is, parang I need to...
Could be better, di ba?
Yeah.
You deserve better, di ba?
Yeah, we deserve better. Not only me. Lahat tayo, di ba? Kaya, buti, kita mo, si Chris, nakaalis na rin. Si Ken, di ko alam, pero nakaalis na rin.
Nakalis na pero...
Are you though?
Did
you escape though?
I mean, hindi na babahain. Yun yung ano ko, di ba?
Baha naman sa utang.
Daras pa akin to.
Ibang baha.
Pero di ka babahain ng tubig.
Ako din eh.
Daras pa akin to.
Ako din eh.
There's no more harding, okay? Anong manager, Ken? I wish I was.
Let's remove that.
That's it, dog.
I'm not manager, Ken.
Garbage.
I'm just Ken.
Putang ina, ayusin ni shit.
Oh my God, it's glass sa mga Spotify.
Paayos mo naman.
Let's go, eh.
Paayos mo naman, Gloco yung glasses ni Ken.
Lagyan mo na ng tape.
Tinignan ko nga yung nakatape ko.
Electrical tape.
I guess he's not enough.
Daras pa akin.
He can't take it anymore.
Okay, yeah, bro. Yun
I
lang,
can go
I'll go,
on.
please.
Okay.
I can means I cannot anymore.
I can't 69 ka na ba?
I can't 69. No.
Putang ina nyo.
At yun, feeling ko
yeah.
yun yung pinaka-highlight ng ng worst. Siguro yung iba namang worst na parang mga minimal na lang. Minimal inconvenience, ganyan. Pero if natural disaster, yun yung pinaka-worst. And yun lang ang naiisip ko.
Okay. Cool. All right. Thanks, mate. Next, Ken. What's your worst moment?
Yung Baden.
Okay. Can you describe ano ba nangyari sa...
Tulog kasi ako noon.
Naging turning point yun sa'yo eh.
Pagkat ako noon, tapos pagising ko, 9 na. Matawag si Doc. Sabi ko, ano po yung Doc? Pagkagising ko, ano po yung Doc? Tapos binuksan ko ilaw. Pagkababa ko ng pako pa lang, basa na. Sabi ko, fuck.
Kaya ka tinawagan?
Tinawagan ako eh.
Bakit?
Ano na.
Lulubog ka na.
Lulubog ka na.
Libog na kami dito. Ay,
Lubog ka na dyan.
Holy
Sorry,
shit.
guys.
Imagine
Gabi, tinawagan
waking
ka lang
up
ako,
like
nagising ka
that,
lang
man.
kasi basa.
Ngayon,
Okay, tinawagan ka pala.
Tinawagan ako ni Doc. Tapos ngayon, bubuksan ko dapat yung ilaw. Pagkapak ko, basaan na. Buti hindi pa umabot sa mismong bed namin kaya hindi kami nagising. Pagkabukas ko na ilaw, yun na, I fucking... I lost it, bro. I fucking lost it, bro.
Umabot sa kama nyo?
Wawot.
Umabot. Pero sa
Okay,
computer
bro.
ko, doon na ako umiiyak. Sabi ko, fuck, please, don't, please. Kasi isang dangkal na lang talaga. Computer ko na. Yun nga, iniisip ko rin. Hindi ko na iniisip yung gamit ko, iniisip ko yung computer ko eh. Kasi
Gamit
yun
mo
yung
pa rin
source of
yun.
income ko, okay? Utangin na. Sabi ko, fuck, please, don't do it, bro. Kasi wala na akong pambili dyan. Tapos, yung din yung partner ko, iyak din siya na iyak kasi yung libro niya, worth of siguro mga 10K. Dami kasing libro nasira. So, iyak din kami nang iyak. Tapos, nung, punta ako Vanilla, sabi ko, Vanilla, please help me. Di ko kaya buhatin yung computer ko.
Mamaya pa yan.
Sa kanya.
Later na yan. Okay, later.
Ano pa ba?
Nagising na ata ko yun.
Bobo ako mag-storytelling, I'm sorry. Pero yung
you're good,
worst,
good.
yung second ko naman, not really worst naman to, pero nung nagising ako dito, yung sunog, nagising ako, kasi ingihina ako, kasi punta ka banyo.
Wait, dyan ka na sa condo. Nasa
Dito na
condo
sa condo na ako.
Tapos yung, like that was, what, a month ago? May sunog na nangyari.
A month ago siguro.
3 months ago, ganun siguro.
3 to 2. Pagkagising ko, punta ako sa CR kasi ingihina ako. Iga ulit ako sana, sabi ko, inaamoy akong sunog. Di mo nakabukas yung computer ko, kaya inamoy-amoy ko pa rin. Wala naman. Nung pagtingin ko sa window, putang ng laki ng apo, ng usok. Like, what the fuck? Doon na naman ako
Nagpanic.
siguro mga 5 seconds ako natulala.
What is happening?
What is happening? Tapos ginising ko siya ngayon. Nagsitakbo kami dun sa elevator.
Shit.
Fuck man,
Six Sims, bro.
nagpapanik na ako.
Puto sa elevator ka pa talaga pumunta pag may sunog. Gago na do that, bro. Just take the fire.
Nah, bro, in the 28th floor, bro.
Holy shit.
Dito next, yung emergency.
Para exit.
Then, yun nga, worst decision, kinda. Yung paglipat ko dito sa condo, puta na baon ako sa utang dito, it's fucking expensive, bro. But I'm dying,
Condo in Manila, okay. Never good.
Fuck this shit. Patapos ko lang yung taon. Siguro, na yata kami? 6 months? 6 months na yata kami? 5 months.
Hey, congrats on staying for 6
naman
months.
congrats, hayop ka.
No,
Kinukongrats mo
I'm
pa.
like, at least, hey, he managed to like...
He managed, nagkakautang-utang na nga yung tao. Ikaw naman.
And
Like,
yung
I'm
So,
just
is it
saying,
congrats
bro,
the
Congrats
5
na
months ka
utang?
na, or...
No, hindi congrats sa utang. Congrats
Is it
sa parang
like
you managed
sad?
to like... Na parang,
Meron ka pang
basically,
6 months.
Dude, I'm basically congratulating him for surviving. Okay, yun lang.
Ayan,
That's what I'm
right
saying.
now, I'm
You're-
barely surviving.
Survive
right now.
you survive condo life. Yun lang, ano.
Ayun lang.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Okay.
Fuck man, bobo ako
Easy,
mag-storytelling.
man. Easy.
No, that's fine. It's all good. Okay. Next, Chris, what's your worst moment of 2024? As someone na hindi binaha.
Not gonna lie, I don't really have worse moments. It's just minor inconveniences, because if I do share those minor inconveniences, I just cannot call it worse. The only thing that really is difficult for me right now is just paying my debts. That's all. The reason why I took a job, because I'm really having financial troubles here and there. Pag may mga emergency, kailangan kong pumunta doon, and then that kind of shit. So yeah, I cannot really share much about the worst things that happened in 2024. So I'm not gonna share any. It's all personal problems.
Alright. Okay. That's fair.
Dagdagan ko lang, buti si Chris. Nakabayad pa ng utang niya. Ako kasi hindi ako makabayad kasi lahat. Enough lang, sakto lang sa pang every month. Man. Sorte pa rin si Chris,
Yeah,
That's it.
at least you're able to manage pa rin kahit papano.
That's
I
true.
guess.
That's true.
Okay. That's nice. Hopefully everything goes better for the rest of the year.
Mm-hmm.
Which is why we're kind of cooking something. But again, later we'll go through that. And last, worst moment, not really last, but worst moments ni John.
Yeah, I think I'ma stay with the program yung baha. It was the best thing ever, bro. Nakatayo lang ako dun.
better.
Kasi nagpapanik for me si Gloco.
Oo.
Legit, si Gloco nagpapanik for me, bro. It was like,
Nagpapanik
he
namin lahat.
did
Siya lang-
not even,
chill lang siya.
I didn't even ask him to help me. He just went in, get some stuff, and then he
Bro, you
did
fucking
that shit.
you disassociated, bro. Putang inakain
Ay, may
ka.
naalala akong tanong. Sabi ko, putang ina, ba't di kayo nagpapanik? Sabi ko sa kanilang dalawa. Tanino,
Well, dito ka pa ba nun, Ken?
Different,
Ay, gago.
Putang ina
Kasi wala
John
na
to,
ng ulan
It
eh.
is what it is eh.
No,
Anyway,
bro,
sorry.
there's something about, like, mentally preparing yourself, you know?
Yeah. I get
Di
it.
pag uwi natin ng Japan, yun agad yung inisip ko. Puta na, the moment umulan to, that's it, bro. I'm done for.
Murphy's
Yun.
Law.
So dumating na, Murphy's Law, bro. Anything that can happen will happen, bro. And it did.
True.
Nakatayo lang ako
Yep,
dun, I was just waiting for it. I just hoping na wala sa isa ng tulo, matulan yung PC ko.
Kaya nga, sana before mag-rainy season.
Baka ano na.
Let's power
Anyway.
through. Ayun, that's probably one of the worst. That was like after Japan.
Wait, in Japan ba tayo this 2024?
Yeah, bro, nung April.
Japan ka.
What the fuck? I thought it was
Kasama
like
sila Rainin,
last
ano?
year. Oo nga, no? Yeah, then that happened. That happened last year.
Bro.
Holy shit. Okay.
Ano, and that was like bitch ass Japan na ginawa ko kasi yun yung last ng pera ko.
Japan.
Tayo na, namatay na kasi yung laro na nilalaro ko. Okay, it was like,
Uh-huh.
it got shut down, bro. Kasi for copyright, DMCA matters. And then, ayun, I was like
Roblox
lost.
game?
I was lost for like 3 months. Didn't do shit. Doon nag-ayaw yung mag-Japan yung might as well spend the rest of my money
The last
para
money.
yung ano ko, yung pinaghirapan ko naman to, you know?
Ma-enjoy.
Good decision.
Pero ang ganda nun, legit, pagbalik ko na motivate ako, nag-focus ako ng ibang game. Ayun, pubaldogs naman konti.
Nice.
Pero mamaya na yun. Okay.
Mamaya na yun. Uh-huh.
Ano pa first moment? So, ang timeline baha, mga around February, March. So, that was like after Japan pala, April. Namatay yung game, January hanggang March. Then we were planning for Japan trip. So, it was nice. Wala akong sakit. Ang naramdaman ko na doon, I was so fucking bored. It was like, alam mo yun, damn, we've been here for too long. I wanna go home. Alam mo yung ganun. Ganun yung feeling
Actually,
ko.
ang tagal natin doon.
15 fucking days, bro.
Yeah, we were there for 2 weeks. That was pretty long.
I don't know.
Ano ba ba? Yung surgery mo.
How about, yeah.
Oh my fucking, I forgot about this shit.
Surgery
Yun nga,
mo.
sabi ko like,
Oh
hindi mo
my
na mention
God!
it. That's not worse. You lost a piece of yourself.
Tapos paka-intro. O nga pala, na-operahan ako sa gallbladder stone. Ako nagkaroon ng bato. And it's so stupid kasi sa mga di nakakaalam kung yung isa sa parent mo ang meron.
May chance.
O kasi nagde-develop yan maaga, 13 nata, 14, ganun. Like that's how early it is. So baka nakuha din nila sa parents nila or some shit.
Pasa.
If one of your parent has it, you got a 50% chance, bro. 50-50, bro. Never
you won
fucking
the gacha,
zero.
bro.
Exactly, puta na. What the fuck? It's a side.
Bakit, diba? Bakit, why?
It's just how
Ano
you're...
kaya, sperm kayo
No,
tapos
that's-
punta sa ano? Yun,
Hindi,
alam mo yun?
it's just parang napapass on yung genes. So like, if
The
like,
genes.
Wala lang. Nung nakuha ko kasi siya, I had like extensive down to the root fucking research na ginawa ko. Like even people na active sa gym, mga ganun-ganun, they get other types of bato, okay? Kasi maraming types yan. May mga for vegans, may cholesterol, may yung mga black stones, mga ganun-ganun. So like, wala siyang pinipili. Kaya, good luck ka lang. Kung yung nanay mo, tatay mo, you're 100%. You're fucked. One of these days,
tatay mo may may
Ano,
gallstone, stone
100%
former. Oo.
may infinity stones ka na sa lobo. Okay? Alam mo yung meme na, not really memes, like a shirt design, like, undiagnosed, but I know something is wrong. Ganon.
Wrong with it.
Ganon gaga. That was it,
Damn,
bro.
that's all of you guys. Holy shit.
It was something, bro.
Check
That was,
out tayo.
that was the worst thing, gago.
Ako,
The first time ko maoperahan eh. Naoperahan na ba kayo, ha?
Yeah.
Di pa ako naoperahan.
Ako yun.
No,
Sanay na
si Chris, naoperahan ka na ba, Chris? Ikaw nila.
Pinawalala ako
Ikaw.
sakit. Ano lang.
Ikaw
hindi
din.
lang eh.
Like, operasyon like na, they killed you, bro.
Not yet.
Never.
Not yet. Try it.
Ngipin pa lang siguro.
Ipin.
Is that
Well,
right?
yung ano lang, wisdom tooth.
Wisdom tooth.
I mean, that's something, you know. Yung ano talaga, yung papatulugan ka, you know, tapos magigising ka. Akala ko na isekay ako, legit. Putang ina yun.
Ala pa naman.
That was so,
Hopefully not.
legit.
Puking ina mo, but evil eye kaya.
Ang
Not
hirap
yet.
gago, legit.
No, I'm not evil eyeing you. I'm warning you, bro.
I know. Kaya nga, na ako nung nalaman ko yung dyan, talagang naging active ako sa mga exercise and shit na yan eh.
Ano lang ako, na-admit lang ako, puta na, marami yung alam, di ba? Sinasabi ko kila Neil, na gano'n lang sila sa akin, no? Nakikinig sila, oh shit, I don't wanna be that guy, gano'n sila.
Grabe, pinakita yung longganisa yun. Puking ina na yan.
Damn, pero grabe
Yung
yun,
bato?
legit. That was
Yeah,
one of the
precious
hardest
stone, bro.
shit you will ever
Fuck, man.
face in your life.
But after mong na
Akala mo psychopath ka na, akala mo ganun, no bro. You are not him, mo.
You're not
An hour, 2 hours na alam mo, dun ka na operan, fuck, I had like mental breakdowns and shit.
late ka na.
I wanna go home, bro! Puta, gusto ko na tumakas! Fuck! Ganun na.
Damn, bro. Gallbladder pa lang yun. Bro, how many weeks were you there?
2 weeks ata daw.
No, di umabot a week. I think 5 days lang.
ano lang,
Bro,
3
bro.
to 5 days.
Yung inoperahan ako, bro, in the hospital, bro.
The fuck? Ano yan? Like, dun ka nagpagaling?
Pinamatagal ko 1 month eh.
I mean, pwede naman
bro.
ganun, pero the bill, bro, I cannot with it. Wala akong feel health.
Alas pa akin, bro.
Kahit PhilHealth, kahit may PhilHealth ka, magkaano lang ibabawas eh.
Tanga wala.
Pero
di ko
at
na
least
nga
may
nabawas.
bawas.
At least
Imagine
may
walang
bawas,
bawas.
okay.
Hindi, kasi yung hinulog mo, yun lang rin babawas. Mas malaki pa yung hinulog mo.
Hindi ko na nakahulugan ng PhilHealth ko eh. No, ever since na nawalan ako
scam,
ng
bro.
trabaho.
But
It's a
anyway,
scam, pre.
mga HMO, mga gano'n, you know, at least, di ba?
Oo.
At least may na-avail ka, hindi ka magbabayad ng mga 10K, 5K, gano'n. Hindi pa rin.
Kung ako sa inyo, dapat mag-private ano na lang kayo. Private health insurance na lang. Huwag na kayo maghulog sa PhilHealth.
Basta yun, okay? That's something.
Aha.
It was crazy, bro.
Damn, bro.
Okay nga yung
That
kay
was
Gian
crazy.
eh. Di ba naka-PhilHealth ka Gian?
Yeah.
Pero iba yung naghuhulog. Hindi ikaw yung naghuhulog.
F2P, by the way.
Kasi ano sila pa, ano kasi kay
Here's the
Gian,
thing. Hindi,
family
may
of
ano eh.
nurses eh, di ba?
Hindi. Kasi may parang, there's like life hacks to it. Like, there's a PhilHealth na, hindi siya PhilHealth eh. It's like some kind of charity thing where you don't have to, wala kang hinulugan na kahit ano.
Oh, shit.
And then, like, parang, you just have to, like, I don't know what my mom did, but it worked.
PhilHealth workers right now.
Gian Lost
I just-
Concepcion.
Gian.
Bisitahin ito, puta na.
I don't know what my... Pero ako
Bisitahin niyo
registered ako
bigla.
sa PhilHealth.
Bisitahin
Okay.
niyo
Pero
bigla.
hindi ako yung naghuhulog sa PhilHealth ko. Pero there was may combo yan eh. Pwede mo ipatong eh. May PhilHealth and then there's like, I don't know what you call it, bro. Parang PCSO something, but
SSS? Gano'n?
I don't know. Hindi eh.
Ano,
Hindi SSS eh.
casino? What the fuck?
Hindi kasi, I don't kasi PCSO is charity sweepstakes siya. Pero like, ano rin siya, it's like a fucking entity for charity talaga yung PCS ko. So yun, like, pumatong-patong yun, like yung ano ko, yung PhilHealth ko, and then yung isa pa. And then I literally did not pay anything nung yung recent na hospitalization ko.
Yung ano ka,
Like a
Ito?
year ago. Yeah.
yung sinil na gano'n sa'yo.
That was cool. That was pretty cool. And
Saan-
also,
dun sa ano?
parang, and also, sometimes it comes down to like, kung kakilala mo yung doctor para ma-waive yung,
May ganun? Oh.
Parang-
yung doctor's fee. Yeah.
Parang pro bono.
Oh, bukas pre, kakaibiganin ko na yung mga doktor.
Oh, seryoso, like, sometimes
Bossing!
doctors are like, some doctors are like, kakilala mo tong ay, ano ko yan, parang, siya yung naghatid sa akin nung isang araw. Sige, libre na yung surgery mo. May mga doktor na ganun. Like,
Yeah, kasi you still pay for their expertise.
Yeah, most of the time kasi ang binabayad mo lang sa doctor is like yung ano nila, yung service nila, which is yung kung inoperahan ka nila or yung pag nag-around sila. But sometimes some doctors pag ka-close mo na, they're gonna waive that. Ang babayaran mo na lang is like, yung mga gamit sa hospital and then yung stay mo doon.
Damn, bro.
No, that. But yeah, like I don't know, man.
Pero like, ano pala, no? Ang dami palang na ano sa'yo nun. Parang naka-assign.
na mga doktor.
Doktor. Kasi
Eh,
I
ang
had
dami.
the gastro and then I had another doctor for yung heart. Yung,
Sa heart.
Ano.
So, yeah, may cardio ka, may
Oo.
gastro ka, may ano ka. Yeah.
It's
It
crazy,
really
bro.
depends.
It was like watching a cutscene. Yun lang inisip ko, okay? Yung,
Oh shit.
yung pumasok na yung ano sa, yung sa kwarto namin.
Oo.
I was like, it's time, boy.
ito yung intro
Oo.
sa Metal Gear Solid 5.
Bata, pag higa ko, hindi na ako gumalaw eh. I'm just, sa utak ko like, I'm watching a cutscene. This is my canon event. Ganun na ako gaga.
Skip.
Wala
Ay na, legit, para siyang,
naman
para siyang, ano talaga pare, cutscene kasi, naglalakad, di ba? Hinatid. Pagdating doon, nakala ko di naaabot sila Neil. Puta, andun sila sa labas nung papasukan ko. Yung bawal na sila pumasok. Tigil ako sa kanila eh.
Ay, doon ka na pinapatulog, no? Doon ka na
Na-explain ko na ba to sa ibang podcast? What the fuck is it?
No.
Deja vu, bro?
No, not yet.
Parang nagka-deja vu. It was crazy, bro.
That was crazy,
It's like,
bro.
count to 3, 1, 2. Hindi ko na maalala, nag-3 ako. Oh, legit! I cannot remember, bro.
That's how fast it is.
I
That's how
cannot
fast it is.
fucking remember.
Kala ko hihintayin ka pa matulog. Puta, ganun
Yeah.
na pala yun.
Yun nga, hindi ka matulog.
Usually, like 5 seconds.
Patulog ka na,
you're
ino mo.
fucking...
Like yung, alam na ng anesthesiologist yung yung dosage ng anesthesia bibigay sa'yo para...
It was crazy, bro.
Tulog agad, knockdown.
Yeah.
Oh, what the
So,
hell?
wala na
Tapos
akong-
binira ka, no?
Yeah.
Nagising ka
like-
ba mid, surgery?
No, bro. I
Ay,
do not fucking
the
remember.
worst
The
eh.
next thing I remembered was yun na yung nasa harap na ako ng mga lumulutang na UI na namimiliaw ng skill. Oh. Legit. Puta na yun talaga, oh.
Ay, San Jinwoo ka pala eh.
Oh, nga, legit. What I was like, fuck. I can't wait. I can't wait na sabihin sa inyo na ito yung na-feeling ko skill. Ganun ako gag. And
What if
then,
naisikay ka talaga, no?
Yeah,
Di mo
tas
na
yan na.
maalala. Di mo na maalala yung memories mo nung naisikay ka.
exactly, bro.
Nagising ka na
Maybe,
ulit. Damn, that sucks, bro.
maybe I did, bro. It just showed me a glimpse nung nangyari sa ibang universe, you know. And then nung natalo ko na yung Demon King,
Demon Lord.
pinabalik na ako after ng operasyon, nakagising na ako. Damn!
Dinifrag lang yung ano mo. Damn.
This some
Ayun,
crazy
ano ka,
shit.
naalis in Borderland ka.
Iba naman yun, gago.
Tayo na, paprank ko sana yun. Kasi umuwi na sila Neil na ano sila eh.
Hey,
Yung-
good thing
Ha?
hindi ka
Hindi
na,
ah?
Ha?
Di, nintay ka namin nun.
Hindi, umuwi na kayo. Sabi niyo, ay balik na lang kami mamaya. Ano pa pala, 2 hours, 3 hours pa pala eh. Gumanon kayo. Pagdating ko, sila na lang, si Alfred na lang andun. Paprank ko sana eh.
Dapat
Gagano na.
pala ano.
Gagano na. Habang hinahatid. It was crazy, bro. Di ako makatayo. Putang ina, like, alam mo yun, the muscles in my abdomen, bro, cannot support my upper body. You know?
Puti ngayon, ano na, no? Goods na.
Ayun,
Normal
it's
na.
fine, you know. Bobo lang ng kain ko, you know, kaya ayusin na natin.
You said that like a
I have a battle scar now. May mga tuldok-tuldok ako dito.
Doon na natin ayusin.
Man, start nyo na, king ina nyo.
Oo nga, mag-aantay ka pa dun.
Ako,
Dahil-
hindi inaayos ko na.
Hindi alam ng
Dahil-
mga viewers ko na pinag-uusapan na.
Kabahan ka na ako eh.
Oo,
Kabahan ka na
pero
try
next time
niyo.
next time na, maano nyo yan. Oh yeah, good thing hindi ka na gising mid-surgery. That
Wait,
happened
why?
to me before.
Is that
Gago,
bad?
worse yun,
Ano
man.
nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Wala, it was just like, siguro 2 beses ako nagising nung
Oh my
sinurgery.
God.
Nagiliti ka?
Nakikita mo.
Hindi, like, I just woke up and then parang yun nga, parang cutscene. And I'm like, puta, everyone's like, pati yung mama ko nakita ko naka-scrubs tapos naka-mask. And then, dude, I'm hearing rock music.
How the...
Dude, nagpapatugtog yung mga surgeon.
Nandun
Yeah,
yung ano?
you can play music.
No,
You
no,
can
no,
play
no.
music.
Nandun yung parents mo? Nandun yung mama mo?
Yeah,
Nurse yun eh.
Pwede kang pumasok basta naka-scrubs ka, naka-gloves ka, and then pinascrub.
Ikaw
Tingin ano, pinasok nyo ako doon, tapos ginulo nyo ako. Ako na, Doc.
Pwede ka pumasok sa
Ako na,
surgery.
Doc.
I just saw my mom there.
Ako na, Doc.
And then,
Naglaro kami ng Surgeon Simulator.
Nasa resume ko yan.
and then that was like that was the first time nagising ako. And then second time na nagising ako, yun na parang yung doktor na may nakita ko. He was doing something.
Ano nangyari pa ganyan? Hindi na
okay,
nakasaksak sa'yo?
Hindi, parang
Or-
parang it's just weird na magigising ka and then they're probably
Wala kang
gonna
nararamdaman.
aanin ka, i-injectan ka na naman ng anesthesia niyan para makatulog ka. Pero mabilis lang, like makatulog ulit.
How fucking long was that operation? What the fuck?
Dude, mine took like 8 hours mahigit.
Oh, what
I think.
the fuck?
No wonder nagising ka.
Matagal
No
yung
wonder
okay.
nagising ka, eh.
No wonder,
You
eh. Tagal,
were
eh. Para
8
ka
hours
natulog, eh.
under the knife? Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah, dude. I think even longer. I'm not sure.
Damn, bro, that's the first time we hear that,
What a-
man.
What a
Yeah,
chance.
this is the first time I heard that, yeah.
And then 2
Ano
months
akin, 2
siguro
to
ako.
3 hours lang ate.
2 months ako nagre-recover sa.
Nare-recover.
Damn, ano yun, nag-ano ka? Ano yung tawag doon pag hindi yung naglalakad? Ano yun? Yung lalakarin, yung maglalakad ka ulit? Ano yun?
Nag-rehab.
Rehab, yeah.
Naglakad ka, di ka nakalakad.
Gago na. Alam ko na pala ba't di ako nagising. Alam ko na.
Bakit?
Sa sobrang stress ko sa operasyon, di ako nakatulog. Sabi ko, doon ako matutulog pag... legit, sabi ko, doon ako matutulog pag inoperahan ako. Sobrang antok ko doon, puto. I feel like I didn't even need anesthesia, bro. Para makatulog yun.
Grabe, walang
Like,
oras.
Hindi, kailangan mo pa rin ng anesthesia kasi.
No, but that's how sneaky I
Magigising
was,
ka.
bro.
Aray ko, Dok! Ano ba yan?
Damn, that's nuts, man. Ilan taong ka nun?
Dude, I was like, 5th grade?
Bata pa.
Ooh.
5th grade, bro.
Damn,
Oh, yeah,
bro.
bro.
Damn, bro, okay lang yun, okay.
Napagdaanan mo na pala ang mga masasakit na
Kaya,
nung grade
kaya
5
na,
grade.
gets ko si John eh. Like, yung mga kinikwento niya. That's
I
exactly
don't
how it is.
experience that shit. Pinakamalala ko
You're
dengue.
gonna get like mental breakdown, bro. Parang 30 minutes before ka tutuliin, parang para mas malala to operasyon mo.
Palala to, gago.
Ang bobo kasi like pag nagbabasa ka ng testimonies ng tao, like anong nangyari sa kanila after ng operasyon, puta hati kasi, tatlo. Yung may isa na gumanda daw buhay nila, yung pangalawa naman yung parang may fucking life deteriorated after the operation. Tapos yung isa naman, they straight up died.
Kaya nag-overthink si Jan nun nung binabasa niya, damn bro. Ano
The
gagawin
odds,
ko?
like sabihin natin,
Google, bro.
tatlo kasi yun, tatlo kasi yun. So, it's like a 33.3 chance, that one of those two things or one of those three things will happen, and two of those are shit. Like the odds are so fucked, alam mo yun?
As long as you're alive and you're not in any pain, you're good. Okay. Pero inaano ka pa ba? Like, ina-acid ka pa rin ba? After na yung gallbladder mo? Kasi before, you were complaining all the time about na acidic ka. Pero it could have been just because your gallbladder was forming a stone. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng heartburns and stuff.
Probably,
so
bro.
now, wala na. Like, you're good. Oh, see? He won the gacha, bro.
Like, there are times kasi na parang alam mo yun, like, makakain ka ng bowel sa'yo and then you're like, ang sakit! Save me, bring me to the hospital. Puta, 3 months na yun, parang naka-4 na balik tayong pabalik-balik sa hospital.
Oh, gago.
Iba pa, naghatid sa akin si Gloco before siya umalis sa UK. Sunod naman si Neil. Sunod, pumunta ako, tapos sinundulo na ako Neil. Tangina. That was some crazy shit.
That was crazy. That was, alright. That was really bad. Bad moment for 2024 kay John. Anything else?
Wala na.
Okay. Good stuff. So guys, please, pa-check up nyo na kung may mga sakit-sakit kayo dyan. Okay?
Pa-check
It
up
goes
na.
to you, all of you guys.
Prevention
Okay?
is better than cure. Tama.
Ako, putang ina, yung cholesterol ko mataas yung huli kong blood test. Okay? So,
Oh, shit.
am I doing anything about it?
Kinda.
Not yet. I will. I will though, alright?
Basta alam ko na.
I'm working on it.
Basta alam ko na. Di ba? Yun yung halaga.
Basta alam ko na, okay, I'm not diagnosed, but I know something's wrong.
Undiagnosed, but I know something is wrong.
My worst moment of 2024.
Tama.
Ako, para sa akin, yun nga, yung baha rin, that was so surreal. That was so fucked up.
Yeah, that was something.
Hindi ko alam kung nakwento ko na to, pero, or nakwento ko to sa vlog, pero I'm just gonna give you guys like a rundown of it. So, the day before nung baha, puyat ako. Kasi, I don't know what we were doing. We were busy as fuck up with something. And then yung patulog na ako, literally patulog na ako. It was 6 a.m. Puyat na puyat ako. I was like, maulan and all that stuff. Bigla na lang, putang ina, nakikita ko, why is there water rushing through my door seal? Pagbukas ko ng pinto, putang ina, ayan na. Ayan na. Sabi ko, oh no, this can't be happening. Fuck.
Yung
adrenaline
niya.
Hindi ko alam na parang ano mo yun, na umuulan ng ganun. I didn't know na binabaha na para tayo. So parang holy shit. So yung kama ko nasasahig pa and then ang dami ko mga kung ano nasasahig. Sabi ko, fuck this. Nag-adrenaline rush agad ako. Nag-fight or flight ako. Tinaas ko lahat ng mga pwede itaas. I had to save whatever I could save. But everything happened so fucking fast. Like as in. So, yung nataas ko na lahat ng electronics ko na pwede kong itaas, I said, fuck it. Feeling ko, tulog pa sila John. I went outside. Pagpunta ko doon, putang ina si John, tulog pa. Didn't know what was going on. And then the water was rushing, going up really fast.
Ano, bro, dapat ginising mo na ako nung pumasok na yung tubig. Hindi pareho tayo sleep deprived po tayo.
I was like, John, alam mo bang binabaha tayo? Tapos puta, gising siya. Hindi niya alam kung ano nangyari. What? Pag angat niya, oh shit, nga, binabaha na tayo.
No, kasi lagi naman tayong binabaha eh. Alam mo yun? Lagi yung papasok. Akala ko ganun yung sinasabi mo.
Yun nga.
Ang pagbukas ko, oh my fucking ka-level na nung floor ng 4th house.
Sabi ko, dude, fix your PC. Kasi alam ko yung PC mo na doon, paputang ina. So, tinulungan na lang kita ano. And I was also panicking. I was like, trying to figure out kung ano yung mga dapat itaas agad para ma-secure. Mm-hmm. And then, siguro, somewhere midway, nalaman ko, oh my God, everything na nasa baba ng ng
I think may baha tayo. I think may baha podcast tayo.
May baha podcast pa tayo.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
I think yun yung last
I don't know. I
podcast
have
natin.
like deja vu as
Yeah,
well.
meron
But,
na.
yeah, but-
Baha podcast.
But anyways, yun yung nangyari. And then, it was just so fucked up. And then, I had to, yun nga, yung nangyari kay Ken.
Meron nga yung last podcast natin, usapang baha.
Usapang ba ba yun?
Yes!
What
Usapang
the
baha yun.
fuck?
I
Ganun
told
ba
you, bro.
katagal?
That's why it's,
That was last week? What the fuck?
Exactly, bro.
Puti yung isda mo nag-patch note eh.
Yeah, yung mga isda ko, nag-patch na nag-open world sila. And holy shit, that was crazy. Basta, it was super crazy. Panoorin nyo na lang yung vlog ko about it. It was so fucked up. But yeah, para sa akin, that was the worst. And also, of course, Leland, yun na isekai, Leland getting isekai was also one of the worst. The rest though was pretty good, I guess. Ayun. I guess I'll just move on to our best moments, guys.
Tama.
So, yun. Let's go for our best moments
Sana
of
all
2024.
best moments,
Sana all my best
Let
moments.
us start with Trinil. Trinil, what is your best moments of 2024?
2024 hindi 2025 ba kasi 2024 pa lang ngayon.
Oh,
Namuli mo ka.
bro, Jesus Christ. Just
He was giving his all, bro.
go.
Ako muna. Saglit lang yung akin eh.
Si Ken muna. Sige.
Ken, ano yung best moments mo?
Well, isa lang yung best moment ko that year. Yung umuwi kami ng GF ko dun sa probinsya ko, sa Olongapo. It's pretty much it. Na pinakalala ko siya sa parents ko. And the
Damn,
rest of the
that's
years
cool.
fucking sucks, ah. Yun lang. Yun lang akin eh. I fucking hate 2024.
Ikli nga. Fuck you, 2024.
Literal fuck you, literal.
Tapos again, bukang ina.
Yeah, putang ina.
Langya ka. Panahaba mo man sana. Sabihin mo, bumiyahe kami sa Olongapo.
Hindi nga.
Sinabi niya nga.
Sinabi ko na nga.
Hey,
Ina.
what the fuck?
Ayan na.
What is
Ayan
wrong with
na.
your
Nakaka na,
dog?
idol.
Ayun na. Worst, ayun na, nangyari kay Chris. So,
Put your dogs down, bro. What the? Get your mans, bro.
sa akin, maikli lang rin.
Simulan mo sa pinaka like siguro on the yung pinaka malapit sa simula ng year ng 2024.
I got married.
Yun.
You got married.
Yo,
Congratulations.
tama.
course.
Congratulations.
Siyempre.
Nice.
Tama.
Nabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Napunta sa Taiwan.
That's the good shit.
Best
Do you wanna
moments.
talk about Taiwan? Like, what was your best moments there?
Lahat. Siyempre.
Ano favorite mo dun sa Taiwan? Like,
Yung nag-bike kami sa tabi ng Ruahe Night Market. It's really refreshing. Tapos naiisip ko, tanginang Pinas yan. Ang hirap mong mahalin.
Mare-realize mo
Napakaganda
lang.
ng
good luck sa next good luck sa next elections, by the way. Good luck, guys.
Ba't ka ako hindi ganito sa amin? Ganun ako. Yung sidewalk. Langya, mas malaki pa yung sidewalk sa anuhan ng kotse. Dito sa atin, mas malaki yung daanan ng kotse. Kasi wala nang sidewalk eh.
Yep.
Mas malaki yung bike lane.
Mas malaking bike lane sa pedestrian lane.
Hanap na yan. As in, bakit? Papatanong ako, bakit? Tapos,
You know what's funny?
ano?
Dengshan said the same thing. Yung nag-Taiwan kami recently. Like, yan yung mga words na lumabas sa, niya. As someone na pumunta ng Japan ilang beses, yung nakita niya yung Taiwan, puta, sabi daw niya, ang lapit lang ng Taiwan sa Pinas. Bakit, ano nangyari?
Di ba? As in, grabe.
Yeah.
Hanap na transportation, goods,
Uh-uh.
food, goods. Sabihin natin, money-wise goods, mga food, mura din doon.
It's pretty good.
Oo. Mas,
Fucking cheap.
kung gusto nyong mag-ano muna before kayo mag-Japan, Taiwan, pinaka the best. As
No
in,
visa yun, di ba?
mura. No visa yun. Ina-extend nila lagi
yun,
yun.
ina-extend
Oo,
nila.
ina-extend nila lagi. Tapos, after that, pumunta kami sa probinsya dun. Pwede rin train. Kita mo?
wow.
Yeah, see?
Nakakonect.
Like, oo, connecta sa halos buong ng Taiwan. Dito, bus after bus after bus.
May tren naman
Yung
dito.
ano.
May tren naman papunta Manila to whatever.
Nobody uses that shit. guys.
PNR, gago.
Nobody uses PNR, man. Wala.
Meron pa ba nun?
puta.
Wala.
Meron, gago. Yung mga nakagano, no? Yung mga siso, gago, legit. Pag duwadaan ako sa mga ganun, yun nakikita ko eh.
Yung mga realist.
Ano pa ba? After that, Tenchi. Siyempre.
Huh?
Thank you so much. Yes. Yun na lang. Tenchi, wag mo na alamin.
Tenchi, shoutout sa'yo, Tenchi. Baka naman, Tenchi.
Yes.
Baka naman
Tenchi,
Tenchi,
baka naman,
PayPal ko,
Tenchi.
vanillaplace@gmail.com. No?
Yun.
Glogogamer@gmail.com,
Tenchi, yun yung
Ano yun sa
pinangalan
akin?
ko.
Ah?
Yun yung pinangalan ko, Tenchi.
yung pala pangalan.
Gets nyo?
Ah,
Okay, gets nyo na.
Tenchi
Alright.
pero demonyo po. Tangin na yan.
Bakit naging demonyo?
Galit kami sa ganyan ni John eh. Diba, John?
Alam yun na.
Diba, John? Galit tayo sa ganun eh.
Tenchi.
Yeah, yung katabi na sa'yo. Okay,
Nakapark,
gets mo
yung
na.
nakapark sa labas. Yung nakapark nakaharang sa labas ngayon.
Ano, shit?
Tenchi, meaning angel, okay.
Hmm.
So, yun.
Bro,
really
naming
thankful.
Name,
Shit.
I can't believe you fucking named your car as you fucking weeb. You fucking weeb, man. Anyways.
Yung kotse, ano lang yun, motor lang.
Oh,
Next, Japan, hopefully, abutin na lang, puta na. Ano pa kami nun? 50-50 pa kami nun kasi yung visa.
Yun yung
buti nga
clutch.
buti nga na ano na eh. Nagawa nyo before
Oo.
itong year na to.
Putik na yan.
It's
Really
crazy.
thankful.
It's crazy, bro.
Pagpunta namin doon, si Set naman, yung wife ko naman nagsasabi, bakit hindi ganito sa Pinas?
Ano sabi na si Zed? Like, between Taiwan and Japan, ano mas na, ano?
Ay, mas gusto niya yung Japan.
Okay.
Mas
For-
na ano
for
niya
sure.
yung Japan.
For sure, man.
Kaya nga pag sa mga nagbabalak dyan, puntahan nyo muna yung mga Taiwan, yung mga
Oh.
Singapore, Malaysia,
Yeah, bro.
kung saan man, before kayo mag-endgame. Kasi nga,
Bro.
like
Di mo,
kami,
legit. Parang feeling ko, pag pumunta ka agad ng Japan, pumunta ka sa ibang places, hindi mo ma-appreciate.
legit,
Much.
legit.
Like, fuck this place.
Legit.
Japan na ako, gaganon yun.
Oo.
Tama.
Singapore and Taiwan might be ruined for me because I already gone to Japan.
The Taiwan
Eh,
medyo
No,
malapit siya
Taiwan
eh.
is pretty good.
Oo.
Para,
Iba
like,
siya ng ano.
like,
what's it called?
sabi ni Deng Shan sa akin, like, kung papapiliin siya magtrabaho, either Japan or Taiwan, tapos pipiliin daw niya Taiwan.
No, not Japan.
Yeah.
Taiwan is a country.
I don't know, man. Like,
Mas
something
ano,
about, iba yung
oo.
vibes ng Taiwan pa rin eh.
Chill
Pero-
rin sa
yeah.
Taiwan.
It's like, it's super Japanified, pero I guess it's more homey. Taiwan.
Yeah, parang ganun.
No,
Parang-
bro, no.
oo.
No, bro.
Sa ngayon.
Don't
What do you
do it,
mean?
bro.
Fuck you, bro.
Do it. Shut the fuck up with that shit.
Pero yun nga, before kayo, and ano yun, end goal eh. Kaya, pag napag-uusapan namin, parang gusto na lang namin bumalik ron. Pero kung alam visa, Taiwan pinaka-the best.
Mm-mm.
So,
Ginagawa
next.
nilang ano ngayon yun eh.
Ano?
Parang ginagawang gateway ng mga Pinoy yun ngayon. For snow. Kasi, ano yan, may part sa Taiwan na nag-snow.
Yes.
So, yun na yung parang gateway ngayon ng mga Pinoy. Kasi, like, I think it's the only country na pwede mong puntahan na walang visa. Where there's
With
actually
snow.
Snow, oo.
Eh, buti na lang
Kaya,
na-experience
kaya
nila
sa
rin.
mga pumupunta sa Taiwan, putang ina yung mga Pinoy kayo. Ayusin niyo yung mga pag-uugali niyo doon. Okay, tanga na may
Mio,
nabalitaan.
picture
Ano
sa
yun?
train.
Daan eh.
Putang ina niyo, ayusin. Behave, please.
Gago,
Okay?
magkaka-visa na rin yan.
Damn.
Parang ewan
Pag nasuya
Ay,
yung mga Taiwanese sa atin, ewan ko na lang, putang ina.
Ano ba
Kasi may
nangyari?
mga signs, may mga signage na kasi rin doon na in Tagalog na like, obviously Google translated na Tagalog. Na parang wag nyo ilagay yung mga basura nyo dito. Okay? In Tagalog lang ha. It's super directed to Filipinos. So ibig sabihin, it just says a lot na parang, oh my God, ang kalat ng mga Pinoy. Ayusin nyo.
Damn.
Kasi ang top tourist doon ngayon sa Taiwan
Pinoy.
is Koreans, Japanese, and mga Pinoy.
Filipino.
Oo. Yun yung tatlong mga nagbibisita doon. So guys, ayusin nyo. Okay, please. Alright. Ako, okay lang sa akin mawala ng visa yung paano yung ibang mga Pinoy, di ba? Like, minsan na lang makaroon ng matinong country na walang visa. But yeah, yun lang. But I agree with everything that Neil said about Taiwan. It's pretty good. Taiwan #1, bro.
And yun, I think that's all.
Alright, cool. Your best moments of 2024, Chris.
No, there's no really best moments.
Thank you so much for sharing, Chris. Next, John, what's your best
seryoso.
moment? No, seriously, Chris, you're
At
not
least
thankful
one.
for
There's
anything?
At least
Come on,
one, you
bro.
know?
Something you're at least thankful for.
Karting.
Yung karting gago, tonto ako dun eh.
Karting is not really the best.
Tapos na ba?
Para sa akin, good yun eh.
Was fun,
Bro,
bro.
yung
ba?
video.
That was fun. Puta, first time ko
That was actually fun. That was actually hella. That was lit.
That was fun as shit, bro.
I want to do
That
it
was
again.
fun as shit. I'm still having dreams of it.
I wanna go back there, bro.
Dude, when I'm driving or pag minsan pag like I have random daydreams of yung karting moment natin.
Malapit na
Maganda
lang tayo doon.
Maganda sana kung actual track siya, no?
Ah,
Yan
mas
talaga.
mamas.
What do you mean actual track?
It is
Like,
actually-
Pangit lang dun may
What do
RNG,
you mean?
okay?
Nah, bro. That was
Nah,
like
bro, di mo
that
lang,
was like
di
a
ka lang alam.
backyard track. Okay? That was a backyard track, bro.
I can't get any better than that, I guess.
You wanna do it again?
Anything-
I wanna do it again, bro.
You know, I might.
Pero sa
ibang track
Dumaguete,
naman.
pero sa Dumaguete, meron daw dong ano indoor.
Putang ina, batang pupunta pa tayo dun.
May
Yeah,
indoor
you-
daw dun eh.
May?
Meron din sa Clark. Meron din
Indoor
sa
daw.
Clark. Indoor indoor
Oh,
Clark.
Clark.
You know, I like how nobody ever mentioned yung nagbahol tayo. Putang ina.
Oh, shit.
That is fucking bro.
You know, I like how nobody
That
is
was like
making
2024 pala yun eh.
That
was
was last
ba
year.
yun?
Yeah, that was a year ago.
Nobody's mentioning anything about it. Like free dive tayo where yung nag-bungee jumping
Oy,
tayo. whatever the
2024
fuck
pa
is
rin
that
ngayon,
drop.
oh. 2024 pa rin ngayon.
Putang ina, nobody
But the thing is that we already had a
2 years
podcast
ago.
about
What the
it.
fuck?
Yeah, we
2 years
already had
ago
a
ba yun?
podcast. We already had a
No.
podcast about it.
Yeah, we did, yeah. Pero nobody's mentioning it today for the best moments.
Eh di ako na lang, oh, yun.
Oh yeah,
Ayun.
sure. The one thing at the best moments then yeah.
Nagmotor si Chris dun, gago. That was some good shit.
Oh, yeah, that was good shit.
That was
That's
like
the first time na
that
nagmotor din ako.
was like the first time I handled a motor. Just like I just got it first try.
Legit. Feeling ko, like, besides the actual free diving in David, parang yun yung pinaka-the best eh.
Mina-enjoy ko rin yun, eh.
Yung motor.
Takot nga ako dun.
Kaya na si Ken kung saan nakasakay eh.
Sino
Kay
yung
Glo.
naangkas eh. Pero
Guys,
Ano?
guys, singit ko lang. I think mas maganda yung go-kart sa Clark kaysa sa Tarlac.
Anything is better than Tarlac, bro.
We should
Legit.
try it.
Alright, fine.
Damn.
Legit, you will see, bro. You will see. Kahit nga dun sa Carmona eh. Carmona racetrack, search mo. Alam mo yung like
subukan natin
actual,
yan lahat.
like
Subukan
actual.
natin sa ano kasi
Subukan
malapit
natin
naman
next
ng tao.
time.
Adami ako.
Alright,
Basta yun.
okay, and yeah, anything else, Chris?
Thankful din ako na nakalipat na din ako dito sa Tarlac.
Damn!
Kasi
Wala
Congrats,
pa rin.
congrats.
You like that pogo area, Chris?
yeah, sure.
Damn.
Sure, the Pogo area. Pampago wasn't doing it for us. Not gonna lie. Kaya-
Saan ka ba dun?
Ha? Sa
Saan ka dun?
Sa Magalang.
Magalang.
It's a rural place. It's pretty it's pretty bad. But anyways, ngayon nakalipat kami dito sa Tarlac. My girlfriend has a good environment like school-wise way before sa Pampanga. Kasi doon sa Pampanga, toxic yung mga tao doon. No offense.
Toxic pala nila eh. I agree.
No.
I agree, Neil.
Damn,
Toxic
bro.
pala.
Toxic pala eh.
And also, I'm kind of thankful that me and my GF reached 2 years. Like December.
Congrats.
Congrats.
And more to come. Probably my longest, probably gonna be my longest relationship that I'm gonna be so happy about to be proud of.
Damn. Manyaman, Kenny.
May 8 years pa kayo. Okay. So, para patunayan yan.
Hanggang kamatayan.
Kasi yung 7 years pala, hindi pa kaya try nila eh. Lalo na pag may girl best friend.
Ay,
Hindi pala
oo.
kaya, papatato pa. Wag ka lang papatato, Chris, kung kung meron ka mang girl best friend.
And,
Yung 7 years na wala. Anyways.
Marilake, tas ano yan?
oh yeah,
Marilagan. Marilake.
we had the chance to go to the beach this last year.
Damn! Sana all.
Damn.
Bro, sana all nagbe-beach.
Kailan tayo mag-beach?
Alam mo na, pag malapit na tayo.
Walang malapit na beach doon, gago.
Uy, gagi. Meron.
Nagsasa, idol.
Gagi, meron. Manua Pepe. Uy.
Uy.
Wow, Pepe! Gusto ko yan.
Yo! What the fuck?
Gusto ko yun, bro.
Seryoso yung pagkasabi nila.
Manu. Pepe!
talaga.
Yeah.
Wala masyado nangyari. I cannot travel. I have no money. I cannot go anywhere as much as
For
I want.
now.
For now.
For now.
But yeah, baka this 2025, baka bumawi ako ng...
Yun
You know,
Baka bumawi. Sabi mo, babawi ka.
Right now,
Bumawi
I
na.
have to like pay all the debts I need to pay.
Alam mo na. Loko.
Oh.
Utangin mo na.
Oh,
Para mabayaran.
Putang ina.
naghahanap ka editor.
Pautangin na, bro.
Kung may papa-edit kayong mga ads sa akin, yun.
Ay na, yung karting nga natin, di ma-edit eh. Putang ina.
On the works na, malapit
On the
na.
work na ba? On the work na ba?
Ay.
Okay, sige. Okay. Sana hindi umabot ng 2026 yun. Alright. Anything else, Chris? You wanna share for your best moments? Okay. Alright, let's move on to John. Your best moments of 2024.
Ay, nag-skydiving kami.
Skydiving?
Damn.
With the bungee cord, you know.
It's not a
It's not
Ano ba ta?
It's
It was
jumping,
skydiving
just
for
literally
like 2
drop.
seconds, bro.
I kind of feel like it was longer though, but yeah.
It was something.
Last,
It was something.
ano rin ba yun? 2024 lang?
Oo
Bro.
nga.
Legit,
Ay, di pala kasama si Trinil.
Siyempre, nag-ano siya nag-bootcamp sila eh. What? Bootcamp, pro player si Idol eh.
Yun ba yung nangyari? Holy shit.
It was it, bro. That was it.
Bootcamp ba nga talaga?
Wala pa ba? Wala na iba? Like, best
Nagpangasinan
moment for
kami
you?
nun.
Marami pa ano pa ba? 2024, di ba? It was just like,
20, I mean, like...
that was like last week.
Last
Pumunta tayo
week,
Japan.
bro.
That was good. It was nice. Nabawi ko yung putang inang nagkasakit ako ng 1 linggo. Fuck! Imagine that shit, bro. Pumunta tayong Japan para mag-staycation lang ako, okay? Imagine that shit.
That was so fucked up.
Really?
Yeah, bro. I was
Bro,
like, I was down
really
for
was
like
sick,
5 days. Pero
Really, andun ka?
Ilang araw.
may sakit ako for like 2 days pa rin, pero pipilit kong lumalis.
You know, nung nag-Japan ka na lang ng first time, nagkasakit ka, nung pumalik ka.
No, that was it.
Hindi, yun yung first
nga.
time, Chris, yung magkakasama tayo.
Yun
Lahat
nga,
tayo
yun nga.
nagkasakit.
Yeah.
So bumawi siya, wala siyang sakit nung whole 15 days siya na
Kami rin, yes. Kami rin. Yes.
It was crazy, bro.
That was crazy, bro.
That was crazy, bro.
That
Ano pa bang
was something though.
ano pa bang best moments natin doon?
Ghost?
Nag-snowboard
Oh,
kayo.
the
okay?
snowboard.
Yes!
I literally
Oh my
I'm kinda
God, yes!
surprised na like you just literally wing it. There's no training, you just winged it.
You know what's fucked up doon sa ginawa namin? Di namin alam paano mag-stop.
That was fucked up. That was fucked up.
The
I do
way
not
to
recommend
stop
what
is
they
to,
did, bro.
the way to stop is like to face, magpabagsak
Certain
ka.
death, okay?
Well, you know,
yung
gago,
pag-stop
nga pala.
nila is either may mabungguin sila or mahuhulog sila.
Gago, nakalimutan ko. If I were to add sa worst moments, is fucking snowboarding without any gloves, you know. Don't fucking do it, puta, you will die. As well, bro. I was fighting for my life. It was life or death. Kasi nangyari sa akin, alam mo yun, like, may ano kasi yun, may yung uupo ka. Ganon.
Yeah.
Diba? Sa baba dun, diba, may mga poste nun. And then sa baba nun, it's like, walang ice. It's just grass. I got stuck there, bro. And I can't hold di ako matayo kasi pag gaganon mo yung, syempre, pang tayo, you're fucked. Tangina, sobrang magnanamb yung kamay mo.
Yeah. Buti nga hindi ka na frostbite.
Oo, gago.
Yun nga, iniisip ko, wala na akong maramdaman sa kamay ko, gago, legit.
Bro,
I
frostbite
literally,
is no joke.
I literally, you know,
I can left the group ako. Hindi ako makarelate.
they just listen to his experience.
Ako rin,
I'm
ako
just saying.
makarelate ako.
Hindi rin nagkanasiglo ako, di siya nag-snowboard eh.
Never mind. Kala ko lahat kayo eh.
I think kami lang were crazy enough to do it, bro.
God damn.
That
I think you would
easiest shit.
know how to like snowboard just because the fact that you know how to skateboard.
Nah, bro, it was different.
Is it different? Does
It
feel
was
different?
fucking different. The board is
Okay.
literally stuck to your feet. Akala natin pag stuck to your feet is easier to move around. It's not, bro. Fuck.
Parang kang yung yung army
Dulas
men
pa, like, any fucking direction, bro.
laruan.
Oh, ganun yung mga ano sa ilalim. Yung sa Toy Story, di ba?
Toy Story.
Ang hirap kasi aandar ka pa rin kahit anong direction ka nakaharap. Like, kahit
Nag-try mo
nakaganon
bang
ka.
Nag-try mo mag-stop yung, di ba, nakaganyan ka, tapos
How do you balance
mag-split ka ng paharap.
Yeah. Like, yung igaganon mo. Yung...
You're gonna do an up here,
Parang
Yeah.
iano mo yung snow.
Natry ko yan, natry ko.
How do you balance that though?
You just, it's just a big-ass board. You can balance yourself.
Really?
Yeah. Pero ang ano kasi doon, nanood ako ng tutorial after that
5
ng
minute
snowboard.
What did I do wrong?
Dapat pala pag yung snowboard ka, your swerve, you know? Para hindi mag-build up ng speed. Like, ganun-ganun ka.
Oo.
Parang mag-apokalipto ka. Para hindi ka nag-build
that
up ng
makes sense.
speed.
Yeah,
And then,
that
you can
makes
stop anytime.
Yeah.
Tangina kami, dire-diretso lang eh. Tangina, dumaan pa ako sa gitna ng dalawang Japanese eh. Bilis ko, gago. Sa bandang baba kasi, medyo flat na siya. So, babagal ka, parang babagal ng konti. Pero obviously,
momentum ka pa
artificial
rin.
snow kasi siya. So,
Diba, usually they have like beginner slopes there.
meron.
They didn't know
Yeah,
that.
you know what's fucked? Diretso kami sa hard.
Yeah, they didn't know that.
Correcta, legit, correcta kami sa Tangina, kanya-kanya na nga kami.
What a gamers, bro.
So fucked, bro.
Solo
Ang fucked up pa
play
dun, ito ang fucked up dun. Kasi laging umaandar yung paikot, di ba? Yung dadalhin ka sa taas. So it will not
Okay.
wait for you. You wait for it. So
Tama.
nakakabit yung board sa paa mo, ilalak mo na, and then mag-aantay ka, sasaluhin ka ng puwet mo. Tapos walang seatbelt or anything bro. If you fall down, that's it, you're dead.
You're dead.
it was like 20 feet, 25, 30 feet sa taas. So. Ngayon, hindi namin alam kung ano gagawin. How the fuck do we get off? Tayo na sa taas may...
Ito ka na lang sa nun.
Tapos doon sa taas may na sa'yo. Nagpapanik ka siya magsabi na, you go down, you never know. Ganun siya.
Drop!
Yeah, it was so
Damn,
funny,
bro.
bro.
That was
That was something. One of the best moments.
bro. Okay.
Gago, napanood ko yung mga aksidente. Hindi ko na uulitin. Okay na na-experience na isang beses.
No,
Bro,
I mean
something.
like when I say na don't ever do that, like, don't ever do it na patang wala kayong alam.
Nah, bro, I will never.
Magdadamay pa kayo na
Bro,
ibang
I will
tao,
never
ya.
do it again, bro. I swear, bro. If you've seen the things I've seen, bro.
Galing sa war.
Damn.
Ayun, best moment. Ano pa ba? Yun lang sa Japan, no? Umikot lang tayo, that's it.
Yeah.
Yun lang ako naumay Parang tagal na natin dito. Fucking Matsuya, bro. Fuck. I miss Matsuya, man. Wala pa yung Matsuya sa Pilipinas.
I hope it never gets here.
Gago na, bad trip na ako kay Gloco
I'm pretty sure they're gonna ruin it. The fuck would it
Parang yung trip natin with yung sila Christian, yung second trip natin, parang yun yung pinaka the best compared dun sa una. Saan mo kami dinadala? Di mo kami dinadala sa Matsuya, mga ganung place, okay? I thought Japan hated rice. Nung first trip natin, okay? It was like first 5 days, wala tayong makain maayos. Pura lang convenience store foods.
I had a master plan. Nagkasakit lang talaga tayo, okay? Those fucking 5 days would have been like me introducing you guys to all the good stuff. Ang nangyari is like parang min-max ko na lang yung mga natirang araw natin para masulit nyo pa rin kahit papano. So that when we go back again, dun ko na kayo anuhin.
Japan this 2024. Ay, 2025, oh.
Will it happen though?
It will. It will happen, bro.
We shall see, bro.
I don't think I can I have a job.
Same.
We shall see.
No, bro, you can't fucking leave.
I want
like, I go Japan now. Bye-bye. Gaganon ka. Nandun sa letter mo.
Sino yung pangalan ng boss mo siya?
Sorry, boss. Japan muna ako. Japan muna ako, Lods. Bahala na ka dyan, okay? Good luck. That was it, bro. I think, ano pa sunod?
How about your...
Surviving my ano, bro. May operasyon. It's the best moment, oh.
Best moment.
Ano pa? Bumalik yung game.
Yeah, bumalik yung AA.
Yun ba yun? Yung pumaldogs ka ulit. Damn, congrats.
Anime Roblox. Anime Adventures.
Anime Adventures. Congrats sa mga lahat ng content creators ng AA.
Tama.
Tama,
Neil. Tama, Neil.
Lang, okay?
Blocks Neil, tama. Blocks Neil.
I kind of forgot the best, to include this, one of the best moments in 2024. It's Marvel Rivals. Best moment.
Marvel, fuck. Same, bro.
Marvel Rivals, bro.
Actually true.
I hated Overwatch kasi di ko maintindihan yung damage output, how fucking damage works dito. It was easy to digest.
Yeah, because you already know the characters. You can actually feel like you're the guy who you're playing with.
Iron Fist, by the way. I am the real Iron Fist, by the way.
I mean, guys, after ito, alam niyo na lalaroin namin.
Yes, let's go. As an Overwatch fan, OG Overwatch fan, I'm just so happy. It's back. It's so fucking back. We're so back. 2 years or 3 years na ako naglalaro ng Valorant or League of Legends. Wala akong competitive
Valorant,
game
bro.
whatsoever. And then
Valorant.
Marvel Rivals came in and I'm like, fuck, finally, characters where I don't have to aim. Putang, and then mangbubugbog na lang ako. It's so good. So fucking good. Ayun.
Damn, anong huling naalala nyo sa Valorant?
Nothing, bro.
Ikaw, Neil.
I hate that game.
Galaro
Oo.
pa rin
Alam
ako.
mo, they added the phones. They added the phones, bro. Yung pang
Yung
flex.
knife. Yung knife.
Gago, ang huli ko sino yun? Si Monster on the Loose!
Si Gecko.
Si Gecko.
May bagong
That was it.
hero nga, may bagong character nga
Yun
agent
si
nga
Teo
dun eh.
Nah, bro, I don't even
Pero
know.
naalala ko yung race ko
Yeah.
eh. Yung race ko
We don't
lang.
give a shit.
Alam niyo yan, no? Yung sumisigaw tayo lahat, yung may trash talker, tapos naka-ace ako, yung inubos ko sila, yun.
Oh, sige. Ang dami nun, pero sige.
Yes.
Hindi, yung yung Ascent ba yun?
Ang dami mong
Sumisigaw pa
ace.
si...
Hindi ko malala.
Nobody gives a shit anymore, okay?
That was too long ago, bro.
Nobody gives a shit anymore about what
Yeah,
happened
bro.
to okay?
Grabe.
Tayo nalala ko lang yung ano natin, yung pangalan nun. Rumble Royale.
yeah.
That's
Yan,
good
yan,
shit.
nakalimutan, no? I can't believe we actually made it to the grand finals, bro.
That's grand finals. Good shit,
Kasama
bro.
sila
Si Old Noob.
Si
Old Noob
May ano
Gaming.
nga yun, di ba?
Dati yun, okay.
May ano nga yun eh, may tawag ito. Yung meme.
Yung meme
Yung sa Squid Game. Wala kasi.
Nasa Uniposting yun eh. Nasa Uniposting yun eh.
Meme yun.
Gago, ang ano kasi sa amin nun, ang not really downside, pero ang ano, ako sino ang matira, yun ang sa amin kasi tatlo na kaming magkakapareho. Kami na yung pinili. So like, you know what, hayaan niyo yung ibang team mamili. So syempre, inaalam nila yung rank ng iba. And iniwan nila yung babae, tsaka yung ano, yung matanda.
Hindi nila alam.
Hindi nila alam, puta eh.
Yan ang secret weapon.
That is the comeback story. Okay? That is the comeback story. You guys are the protagonists in that
Tapatan pre, nagsha-shock dart.
Oh, alin yung gumagana eh. Nagtatatalon. That was crazy, oh. Man, 2024 ba yun?
2021, 2023.
No, that was like...
That was fun though. Like, That was good memory sa Valorant.
Sa Valorant yan, greatest achievement din.
But fuck Valorant.
Fuck Valorant po.
Anyway,
Fuck you, Valorant.
Power Rivals is a good game.
Power Rivals! Maglaro na kayo,
Have you
gamitin nyo.
seen an invisible woman? Oh my.
I fucking hate
Yeah.
Invisible Woman. Turns into Cloak all of a sudden.
Ang hirap nga maglaro eh.
I hate
Parang
it when
hindi
he
ko na
turns
na-
into a black dude, man.
What the fuck? If di as invisible woman, guys. Nakita mo ba yung comment ko sa post?
Oh, yeah.
That was it.
Enjoy na yun. That was it.
That was it.
Okay. I guess best moments ko na lang is
Tingin-tingin dito.
dami rin nangyari sa akin eh, putang ina.
Dito,
I don't, nag-jumble up na yung mga ano ko memories. Sobrang daming nangyari sa 2024. I don't even know if it was 2023 or 2024 or 2025.
are you
Hindi
gonna,
ka pumunta ng
are you
ano,
gonna say
2K?
everything or are you just gonna limit? Are you just gonna limit?
I'm just gonna say na parang okay, yung nag-Japan tayo, ayun nag-Bohol tayo, that was goated, that was pretty good. Dun ko nalaman yung limit ko sa paghinga. Halos umabot ako ng 2 minutes. So that was pretty good. It was fun. Hindi pa
motor.
hindi ko pa rin hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin na-upload yung putang yun, lahat ng vlogs ko or lahat ng nangyari sa atin ng IRL sa
Parang di sumama si Neil.
Hindi ko pa rin
Di sumasama si Neil.
Hindi ko pa rin na-upload yun. I think I'm not sure kung anong year yun yung kami nila Zark. Yeah, that was 2023. But yeah, Japan 2024 with some of the boys. That was really fun. Nag-drive ako ng Alphard and like I went 180 kilometers
Nah,
per
bro,
hour.
like 200.
That was fucking, that was 200. Naging bullet train yung Alphard namin. It was fun. Nag-onsen ulit kami.
Uy.
Sa mountain. It was bustin'. It was good. Nagpumunta tayo sa Initial D area. Also went fishing dun sa Tokyo. It was so good. Ayun, nag-fishing din kami ni Dengshan sa nag-Japan din kami ni Dengshan sa Hokkaido. It was so nice. One of the best fishing trips I've ever had. Like fishing in nature, nag-hike kami and then
Damn, dadalhin mo ba kami doon?
I wanted you guys this year sana pero hindi na.
Alam mo na, bilhin mo na kami ticket.
Alam mo na, boss. Sasama naman
Hindi na
kami.
rin
Alam mo,
mabilis,
sasama naman kami, boss eh.
That was good. I had a really good time doon sa Hokkaido. And then pumunta akong UK. For 6 months, this is probably the longest time na nag-stay ako sa UK. It was hella nice. It was super chill. Halos retirement era ako doon. And
How does it feel
Na alin?
na nag-retire? Feel like nag-retire ka?
I mean, like, I don't know, man. It was just I was preparing for a lot of things. Ayoko pa i-mention ngayon. Okay, pero I would say it was also part of the best moments. Pero you will find out in the next coming weeks or months siguro if I announce it. Ang dami kong pasabog supposedly this 2025 na nangyari nung 2024. Ayoko pa mag-soft launch about it.
Spoil ko na.
Wag. Don't do it, bro. Okay. But yeah, let me just say that 2024 had one of the worst and also one of the best moments of my life. But saka na yun. Saka ko na i-mention yan. Ano pa ba? Yun, nag-Taiwan kami ni Dengshan. Had a lot of fun. Dun sa Taiwan, Dengshan wants to go back there. It's pretty good. Masasabi ko lang, Taiwan is like Japan, but more extroverted. Extroverted Japan yung Taiwan. So
More affordable.
pretty goated. Yeah, more affordable. Goated. Taiwan's pretty goated. Love it. I would say this is also one of the worst moments in my life. Na I got into Pokemon. Fucking A, dude. I swear to God, dude. Pokemon cards are literally is ruining my fucking life. Okay.
How?
Kailan ka na ba dyan, ha?
Paano ka na-start?
Shout out kay Cholo for sa paglason sa akin. Pero like the weirdest thing is the way I started. Like sometime on November or in October, early late October. Dengshan was just random. Walang nag-initiate na kahit ano wala akong nakitang anything or whatever. Dengshan was just like one day she woke up and she was like, "Gusto ko matuto mag trading card game." And I'm like, I guess we can start with Pokemon. Sabi ko kasi it's not, definitely Magic the Gathering wala akong alam. And One Piece wala akong alam doon. So I think the easiest to get into is Pokemon cards kasi dati nag-Pokemon cards ako. And then may mga kakilala ako na marunong mag-Pokemon cards, which is si Cholo. And then sabi ko, okay, do you know, let's ask Cholo. Then I was Cholo and he told me, hey, there's an app for this. Hindi pa to yung brain dead na Pokemon game yung Pocket, hindi yun. Like yung legit app, which is TCG Live, which is andun yung actual cards na mabibili mo physically and talaga tournament rules. So yun, we got into it. Dengshan got addicted and I'm like, you know what? Would be nice if I had like the physical cards. And then suddenly lumabas sa Facebook feed ko may event sa London.
May
Na parang card show. Sabi ko, you know what, alapit lang, let's do it. It's happening this weekend. Pumunta kami. Putang ina, nakita ko, ang daming mga binibentang cards. Tapos may isang stack doon, isang box doon, nandun lahat ng mga cards nung sinaunang panahon namin, nung nagko-collect pa ako. And then I was going through the cards, I was going through a nostalgia trip. As in, nostalgia.
Healing
bomb.
his inner child.
Oh, and I'm like, whoa, sabi ko, ito, putang ina, may ganito ako nung bata ako, what the fuck? Ayan o, yung putang inang card na yun, ngayon $500, meron ako niyan dati. So like, all my regrets was pulling in sa utak ko, sabi ko, fuck, I wanna get this. So, bumili ako ng mga few cards and a few booster packs.
That was like in real life Binance.
Yeah.
Live Binance.
Yun ako like, oh my God, this is so
Bitcoin.
nice. I don't know what happened and what triggered in my fucking head, pero a neuron activated in my head na parang, you should collect more. You gotta get more. So, yun, parang ginawa kong life mission ko na i-collect lahat nung Gyarados, mga Magikarp cards. Dude, it ruined my life. Like, siguro for starting November hanggang December, nasa UK ako. Every day, putang ina, I'm looking through eBay, looking for the best fucking deals, looking through Pokemon Center, seeing kung ano mabibili ko, kung may available na Gyarados cards. And oh my fucking God, dude. Naubos yung... Hindi naman naubos pera ko, but fuck, man. It hurt. It really hurt. And hanggang ngayon, I'm still ongoing with it. I don't know why. It's just... And what's weird is, suddenly, a lot of people na hindi naman into Pokemon or TCG got into TCG rin like, late in the fucking year. So, parang sabi ko, when you reach 30 years old, feeling ko talaga may parang neuron na ma-activate sa mga lalaki na where they just want, you know what, you should collect this. You should collect shiny cardboard. Kita mo yung nangyari kay Shroud? Ngayon lang siya naging ganun, di ba? Na nag-collect ng MTG. I checked his age, 31 or 30, kaka-30 niya lang. Sabi ko, may ano talaga eh. May, ano yung sa Baki, nangyari sa Baki na collectively in the world, parang gusto nila bugbugin si Baki. Yun yung nangyari sa mga ibang tao. Like, everyone wanted to get into Pokemon. Tapos dumagdag pa yung bagong app, which is Pokemon Pocket, the Brain Dead game, and then yun na yun. Wala na, nag-cascade na, na-hype beast na yung ano. Kung ano yung nangyari sila Bubo, yun yung nangyari sa Pokemon. The rest is mga pasabog ko na lang na hindi ko pa pwedeng ilabas or i-announce. But yeah, speaking of pasabog, how about our plans for 2025, guys?
Tama, yan ang pasabog.
Y'all, we can share yung may mga pasabog ba dyan na pwede nating i-share? Let's start with Nil. What are your plans for 2025?
Get the fuck out of here!
Get out there! Get the fuck out of here!
Oh, yes!
Yan. May minensyon ka na ba sa Tri Nation?
Yes, and masakit sa bulsa.
I-announce mo na rin dito, pre.
Promise.
Announce mo na
Grabe.
rin dito.
Ito, akala ng iba mayaman or marami ang pera. So, nagkaano ako ng opportunity na kay Papa kasi nun, yung house. So, parang sinabi niya, anak ko, ito.
Nepo baby ka pala eh.
Ito, ganyan. Hindi, babayaran ko syempre. Pero hindi yung, yung biglaan. Kasi may kilala ko biglaan eh. Alam niyo yun. Tapos, Ulugan, kakayanin naman. Pero the place is, alam mo yun.
Pretty
like,
good. It's very good. Nice. I saw some photos nung it looks hella good, dude. Congrats, man.
May
pero
videos
yung,
naman.
I like it. Ang ganda.
Yung renovation is cost, kasi na yung bahay, luma na eh. It's like a bungalow. Pero still, ang hanap-hanap ko is may windows na pag lumabas ka. Alam mo yun, parang, simpleng tao lang naman tayo eh. Like, kakapi ka, labas ka, tingin ka, isip ka ng mga gagawin mo. Kung may kotse ka, ganyan, titignan mo. Diba?
Parang masarap yung hangin
sobrang
doon, idol.
simple din. Sarap hangin, ganyan. Ganun feeling. Lalakad-lakad ka, walang aso. Kasi may mga
Are you sure about that?
May nanguhuli. Tapos meron siyang parang naglilinis talaga ng mga daan, ganyan. Tapos may half court, which is pretty good kasi magbobola ako.
Tapos walang kakatok sa'yo, Boss Neil.
Tapos yan, on the works, medyo talaga, pricey ang renovation ngayon. Mahal na daw mga materyales. But nonetheless, yeah, kinakaya naman. Yun yung pinaka ko. And pagkalipat ko doon siguro tuloy-tuloy na siguro. Yan lang. Just a place to, to get a family and, the future. That's
Nice.
the goal of 2025.
Bro,
Like really start a family, maggagawa ko na ng Trinil Jr. Or
Parang
Mauna daw si Ken eh.
May
First
paparinig na nga eh.
Gagawa na ng basketball team ang hal na to.
Mauna daw si Ken eh.
Oh,
O si Chris.
tangina.
Si Chris pala, si Chris mauna.
Nice. All right. Good stuff. Anything else, Neil? Like plans for 2025?
Hindi na siya plans, on the works na siya, yung streaming. Inaano ko yung sarili ko na 6 months of parang consistent na streaming. Yun. Tapos tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. If it's good or bad. Tapos kung bad, edi tingnan natin kung other options. Kung good, edi tutuloy-tuloy. Yun lang naman ang ano. Gusto ko lang maging consistent sa ginagawa ko. Yun yung ano ngayon. Which is, parang naging 35 streams for like isang month pa lang.
35 what?
Stream daw.
Okay.
Like sa January, yun. See? Like parang na ako sa sarili ko pero kulang pa. Yeah, that's the plans.
I mean, we are those kind of men. We have a lot of opportunities to make money.
Minsan sasawayaw na lang ako sa gay bar para
Not that kind of, no.
hindi ba?
No.
Ay, hindi walang mali doon. Walang mali doon. Bakit?
We're not gonna go there. We're not gonna go that route.
Sabi ko lang.
Ang tanong, qualified ba kayo?
Oy, alis pa akin, true.
Inaboy.
Oh, tangina. Nag-release na si Idol.
Yun lang. Tingnan ko, baka may mga kapitbahay ako doon. Malay nyo.
Malay natin. Baka mag-iba yung isip mo. Baka yung peaceful life mo doon masira. Dahil sa
Hindi. Mas masaya ako kasi magkapakapitbahay ako doon.
Nil, ano ulam?
Ay,
Nagano na
dili
kami.
ka sure. Baka may kakatok na rin doon. Boss Neil. Akala mo na, you thought you escaped na.
Mr. President.
Boses mo, hayop ka. Gaya mo, hayop ka.
Kita ko yung labas nyo.
Anyways, Ken, plans for 2025?
Just trying to survive, tapos
Survive.
fixing myself.
Objective.
That's pretty much it.
You're not gonna share with us how you're gonna do it. Yung how you're gonna survive.
Yun nga, hindi ko pa alam. I'm just trying to figure out.
Are you planning to move out there?
Probably, kung kaya. Yeah. Kung hinihintay ko kasi matapos nung isang taon din dito. Lipat kami
kasi,
dito August eh.
Paano yun? Pag hindi mo tinapos, magbabayad ka?
Hindi naman. Hindi mo naman ako i-deposit.
Magkano?
Okay lang yun.
13K, ganun.
Sa akin din.
Tama, sayang kung ano.
Oo.
So are you really saving 13K or are you spending
Isipin
more
mo.
the rest of your life?
Yeah, man.
I don't know. Bakit ka?
Alright.
I think you lose more money than
to save.
Yeah, yun nga, iniisip
Yeah.
ko.
Mas magaling na wag mo na kunin yung deposit mo kasi putang na kahit di mo makuha yung deposit mo, you're gonna save a lot more money if you just go.
Get the fuck out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And stay somewhere else.
It's fucking true naman.
Ano talaga, province is the way. Grabe. Dito sa just mio, pollution.
Overcrowded.
Kamusta?
No bro, no need to... Kasi kahit naman dun may pangit eh.
Lahat naman may pangit, pero kung ikukumpara mo,
No, like
Gets mo?
you gotta kasi, the only reason na nandito tayo nakatira. Ako, Cebu ako eh. I'm already good there. Why did I move here? You know? Alam mo yun? So like, I think kasi events first.
yeah.
Puta, last year, walang notable event na nagawa sa Pilipinas.
Yeah,
Wala
that's
nang
true.
gaming convention na masaya, oh. Kaya
Tama.
kung may gaming convention ba yung pupuntahan,
People been asking me kung when is the next convention. So like, dude, I really don't know.
We don't even go out anymore. Like, we don't even
pero
go
may
out.
mga
Kahit
gumagawa.
kung may event man, di rin eh.
May mga gumagawa naman, legit. May pero they're just filling up a void na parang
Avoid. Yeah, I agree.
Pero like it's not really the same. Saka mahal din po. Mahal dito, Lods. Mahal sa mainland,
Ano
no?
ang pinaka-problema ko dito is yung yung kuryente eh. Mas umaaray ako sa kuryente kaysa sa renta eh.
Ako umaari ako sa Oriente.
Nakakano nga eh. May some, like, dati, like,
We gotta go solar, bro.
like around that,
We gotta go solar.
like around that no 2016 to like 2018. Masaya tumira dyan sa Manila kasi like mga events katulad ng parang ESL, mga Manila Majors, mga ganyan. Ngayon wala na eh.
Sa totoo lang, events talaga.
The only reason
Kasi
why we stay in Manila is because of the fucking events, and events are almost gone. It's gone.
Ako rin, nung lumipat ako dito kasi syempre, makasama kayo in shoutcasting. Diba? Yun naman yun ako dati.
That's true.
Diba? Pero yun, nawala nang halos lahat yun.
Parang opportunities now can be,
bro, we went here for the internet din kasi dati sa
Ayan
probinsya
rin,
lang
no?
siya.
Oh, yeah.
Galing mo.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yeah. Wala
Wala
pang wala pang
Fiber.
fiber
Fiber.
sa
Ayan, meron ng
probinsya.
fiber sa ibang lugar. Mas ayos pa.
Yeah, it's pretty accessible. There's literally nothing else
Hindering.
Na andito, na
yeah.
pwede mo, hindi mo makukuha ron.
Oo.
Like in the
diba?
comfort of your home. But the thing is that Batangas, taka ng mahal ng kuryente doon. Taka, imagine mo ako lang yun doon na gumagamit ng kuryente. 10,000 binabayad ko buwan-buwan.
Damn,
Putang ina.
it's time to go solar, bro.
Batangas
Time to
was
go
a
solar.
province.
It is.
Yeah, pero it's shit. It's shit yung ano doon.
Okay. So, what are the chances na, like,
What?
lilipat ka po, tayo nakala mo makakasave ka pag lipat mo, ganun din.
Paglipa mo, mas mahal pa pala eh. It was
Mas
you.
mahal
You
pala.
were the problem all along.
Parang feeling ko, doon sa lilipatan nyo, okay naman yung ilaw doon eh.
Anong lilipatan namin?
Nyo, baka ako.
Oh, sige,
Ay,
sige pala.
lilipatan mo kasi.
Ako, alam ko sarili kong bababa ng todo. Kasi alam yung bakit?
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 Hindi na 24 hours na bukas aircon. May hangin na pumapasok sa loob. Diba?
Sure, buddy.
Sure, buddy.
Sure, buddy.
Ano
Legit.
question?
Tutulog ka na
Ano?
lang sa mabubuksan.
Magkano yung kilowatt per hour dyan, Chris, sa inyo?
I don't know.
Dito is
Hindi naman-
13 eh. 13, 14 eh.
I don't really check. Kasi,
Ba't hindi ka
Hindi
nag-check?
naman
What the
Damn,
fuck?
damn. Look at Ken, bro. Checking.
Kasi-
I don't even know what the
I'm
fuck.
looking for
I don't
that.
even-
Kasi,
But the
I-
fuck is
I-
I don't
kilowatt.
even know. Damn, bro.
kasi I always assume na I will only play 7 to 8K every month. Nakabukas ang aircon 24/7.
Damn. Okay. Chris, what's your best moments of... plans for 2025?
Pay my debt.
Uh-huh.
Mag-ipon para madala ko ang girlfriend ko sa Singapore this upcoming Singapore Grand Prix.
Singapore na?
Oh,
Singapore
wait, what
Grand
is that?
Prix.
F1?
Yeah, F1.
Is that F1? Damn,
Oh, damn,
putang inang
bro.
yan. Holy shit, how much is the ticket there? Di ba
I don't know.
mahal ng putang
Kaya
ina?
nga I'm gonna try to
Bro.
save up a lot of money just to get there.
Tang ina yung pamasahe mo
Or,
sa Singapore,
pwede kang-
wala pa sa
or,
ticket.
Pwede kang pumunta ng libre doon.
Paano yun, Trinil?
Alam yun na.
Alam niyo na.
Sinabi
What the
ko na
fuck?
kay Chris. Alam niya na yun.
Hindi ko kaya yun.
Kita mo.
Damn.
Negative agad, pre.
Man.
Pumunta ka
Anyways,
Anyways.
what else? So,
Well, yun muna.
Wala na, ikaw na.
Small
Yun lang
steps,
muna.
small steps.
okay, I guess. Okay. Next, John,
Ayun,
your
pala,
plans
Manila.
for
Hindi
2020.
ko alam eh.
Ay, ba?
Ako, realistically, lilipat ako.
Wow, iwan mo na kami dito.
Oh, iwan ko yung
Damn,
putang
bro.
na. Imagine paying for that.
Puta, so, may ano pa kayo, may bakas pa ng ng kahapon.
Bumalik na ako sa kwarto na to and wala akong no choice. Okay?
That's true.
Yari na
Pero
ba
hindi
yung
ko alam
yero
eh.
dyan?
Di ko,
Yari na ba
Ayan,
yung yero dyan?
nangyari. I mean, walang yero dito. Just like a slab, kasi may ginawang second floor.
Mm.
I lang naman, hipat, obviously, this year.
Samahan mo na ako.
Gago, ba't kita sasabahan ba mangingi ka sa akin ng ulam mo? Tawa. Baka ayahin mo ako ng basketball.
Yun yung problema eh. Baka ayahin mo ako ng basketball.
Oo, tayayain ko kayo. Okay na.
Ayun lang naman. Guys, kung may ma-recommend kayong mga...
Pwedeng gawin sa 2025.
Pwedeng gawin sa 2025, sabihin nyo
Oh,
na
pwedeng
lang.
gawin sa 2025.
Wala na, alam mo eh. Ang alam ko lang, wala akong alam.
Oh.
Sa'yo na, lilipat. I don't know.
Mhm.
Maybe drive around and shit.
Oh, shit. Drive around and shit.
Drive around.
Mag-karting yun. Karting yun.
Wait, di mo pa ba, wala ka pa bang soft launch nung
Ng karting.
Ng
nung
karting.
Yes, nung karting mo.
Why we speaking in codes? What the fuck?
I
Bumili ako
don't know,
kotse,
man.
puta.
I'm
Lilipat. Ako.
Puta ko na, ikaw yung nag-isip ng
Wait lang,
Sasabihin
kasi
ko
hindi
na.
ko pa alam kung na-soft launch mo na sa community mo, yung ano
Pinost
mo.
ko na gago. Ayun eh, may
Pinost mo na
reason
pala,
ako in-upload.
okay.
Sinabi
Akala
ko
kasi
din
mga
eh.
NDA tayo dito eh. Puta ka na. I'm just being
Na next
careful
stream ako,
with the
sinabi
embargo.
ko
Yeah.
yun.
Ako,
Ayun,
Tenchi
yun,
eh.
bumili ako kotse para mapuntahan ko si Neil, mangingi ako ulam. Tama. Alam naman, Di ko alam ba't ako bumili. Hindi, alam ko na pala ba't ako bumili. Ang mahal ng pukin ng inang,
Grab.
ng Grab. Ang inapupunta ko sa jowa ko. 3K, balikan, no? Di pa kasama doon.
Jowa, oy!
Ricky,
Nilabas na! Nilabas na!
Alam na yun, soft launch ko na eh.
Hard launch na pala tayo.
Hindi ko na, soft launch na ako.
Like, soft launch
Pag
na pala
pupunta
si
ako,
John.
pre, 3K, okay, Grab lang yun.
God damn.
Tapos dadagdagan mo pa ng,
Balikan, 60.
dadagdagan mo pa ng kung magkano yung Skyway. Okay.
Oo. So
Damn.
ngayon, ang binabayad mo na lang is,
Gas sa Skyway.
which is,
Hindi, mas mura. Hamak
Mas
mura.
mura. Yeah.
Oh,
around
full tank is like 2.5 and then siguro kasi ano lang yun,
500 ka lang sa balikan.
45 meters. So, ang isang full
mga
tank is
500
500 kilometers eh. Sabihin natin ganun, max.
Yes.
Gagi, lagot ko yun. Bebe Jans right now. Mahal pa rin kita.
Bro,
Wala na, babagsak na yung subscriber
Naka-work
base
pa,
mo, bro.
Gagi,
Wala na,
yung
gagi.
token niya,
Naka-
gagi. Bebe Jan token.
Madaming mag-i-switch ng werewolf profile.
You too late.
Yan nga, werewolf.
Too late. Malay mo magbukin ako kayo. Joke lang. Guys, pag nagkalbo ako, tapos nagtattoo ako sa ulo, alam niyo na,
Alam
okay?
niyo na.
I will pick you up in my kariton.
Inang yan. Gagawa pala ng empire to si Roddy
Three.
Jones.
6 wives, wala live. Ano, 3
ayun na.
times 2. Di ko na
Talunin
alam.
mo si Bugay. Tabihan mo yan.
Basta yun lang, yun ang plano, lilipat.
Okay.
Obviously. Gusto ko rin magkakwarto ng maganda. Siguro bahay, who knows. Could be. I think, dumating na tayo sa point. Si Neil, di ko alam ba't reklamo si Neil. Gagawin pa rin naman niya either way kahit 10 years in the future. Kasi ginawa niya lang now. So either way, like, magastos
Yung ano,
talaga.
yung?
Mga ganyan, big move,
Yeah.
Kasi sabi ka, mahal naman talaga.
Move.
Kaya you can hide it, but you will never, alam mo yun, like, dadating pa rin siya. Either way. Kasi nagre-rent lang talaga kami dito. It's nice, I mean, may memories and shit. Naman. We gotta move up, Tumatanda na tayo.
Adulting sucks, but it is what it is.
It is what it
You
is.
gotta do it.
Doon na tayo gumawa ng bagong memories.
Oo, tama.
And the viewers are like trying to piece together something. What the fuck are they?
Babe, may ulam pa tayo. Sila...
Ginawa na po nila.
Ginawa na.
Ay, akala ko-
Kakagising ko lang.
Akala ko.
O gago! Pwede yun, Pwede manghingi ulam. Ay, kuha ka lang dyan, tapos ubusin ko, Gusto ko maging kupal.
Kuha ka lang dyan,
Nangingi kas, inubos mo. Hindi, nagdala ka rin ng ng lagayan. Ginanon mo.
Pinalit mo na lang.
Nilagay mo sa lagayan, mas umuwi ka na. Ganun dapat, Kung basketball
Nice.
pa kami ni Trinil,
Sino ba?
Pinakamagaling na basketball player.
Sino pa ang may plano?
I guess
Gian.
ako.
Yan, plano
Ayun,
niya.
so yun, iiwan na po ako ni John. Narinig niya na yun.
Iwan
Ako
ko
na lang
siguro.
matitira dito sa PR house. But other than that, plans ko, since the Philippines is going to shit, magmamigrate na ako next fucking year. Probably. So, wala na ako dito sa Pinas.
Tama.
Bahala kayo dyan. I'm
Iwan mo
escaping
na
sa...
kami.
I am done fighting. Okay. I'm tired, boss.
I'm tired, boss.
Ang nalilipatan mo din. May fighting din,
I don't care. I don't give a shit. I don't
Ano kasi
give
doon,
a
feeling
shit.
ko sa lilipatan niya, worth it yung binabayad niyang mga tax, yung mga facilities. Ganyan.
Probably
Kasi,
not really.
Not really?
Mapapagastos pa nga ako dun eh. Pero it's more of like parang, you know what?
Sa lugar.
I'm gonna be a second-rate citizen here. Wala akong karapatan din magreklamo. So like, bahala na kayo. I'm just gonna do my own thing. Pero bahala.
Pero maganda lugar doon, di ba?
Ito lang ang masasabi ko, okay? After 5 years, may UK passport na ako. I can go wherever the fuck I want. Walang visa.
Malakas,
Oh,
malakas
shit,
yung
malakas.
Wala ka sa British passport. Yun na lang.
Anakan mo na ako, pre.
So, yun na lang.
Wow.
Puta, 5 years here in the Philippines versus 5 years sa UK. Bro, I'll take that passport, bro. Give me that shit.
Hanap na yan.
Hey, if they have free healthcare, bro, na.
Damn, bro.
So, di ka lang residential doon. Like, you're gonna get a British passport.
Yeah.
Gano'n na
You're
siya.
like a citizen. Yeah. That's
I'm gonna be a British, I'll be British, good luck na lang, Pinas, in the next couple
Good
of
luck,
years.
Philippines,
Kayo na
okay.
bahala, okay? Kayo rin naman ang gumagawa ng sarili nyo problema for
Nagiging
voting.
clown,
people.
promise. Gusto yung nagiging
Nah,
clown
it's
na yung
always,
Pinas.
It has always been. It's more of like,
Mas malala ngayon.
How long can you guys keep it up?
Mas malala ngayon kasi
Good luck.
may social media na eh. Mas,
Oo,
mas nakikita
pre,
natin yung clown.
Nakakulong ka, tatakbo ka.
Nah,
May
bro.
kaso ka
Yun.
sa may kaso ka sa Amerika, tapos tatakbo ka.
Bro.
Tapos marami pa rin boboto sa'yo. Putang ina!
Di Comelec. Ano, pinag-iisip yung...
Ako, wala na ako pa eh. You know what? Like, I have my own battles to fight now. Okay?
This country is bad, bro.
I'm gonna go PewDiePie route. Okay, I have no enemies.
Damn, bro.
I have no enemies,
Maybe specific lang, Maybe specific lang.
What do you mean specific lang?
Is there any
What?
place sa Pilipinas that's like slightly bad,
Just slightly bad.
Just slightly bad, sa tingin mo?
I'd say Iloilo, bro. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah, true.
Iloilo's pretty nice. Like if you if you want to take your chances.
Iloilo is its own country, okay?
Uy, dun, sa Kilakin. Kilakin. Slightly
Ano
bad lang dun.
Bakit? Ba't maganda
Puro
doon?
Amerikano dun eh.
Puro ano dun eh. Babaan kasi ng barko
Kaya,
yun.
kaya pala maganda doon.
Palong ka pa Freeport, by the way.
May red light district.
Sabi Freeport.
Tanga na si Tridel. Naku po.
But yeah.
Uy, wala.
Yeah, if you guys
Alam mo-
try Iloilo, guys, it's that place is pretty nice. Like it's its own country. Okay. Parang yun yung yun yung Wakanda ng Pinas ngayon.
Sa Mindanao, Biringan, pre.
Biringan.
Biringan City.
Yung Wakanda.
Dalban City.
Wala hanggang
Yeah,
ngayon
bro.
hinahanap pa rin natin kung saan yung Biringan na yan. Putang inang yan.
Sa Mindanao daw yun eh.
Kung gusto niyo talaga, what the fuck, look at this guy, bro.
Saka doon na nga rin. Ngayon,
Okay.
ngayong gabi, hanapin natin.
Naging
Kung gusto
Soko
niyo-
eh.
Kung gusto niyo ng PUBG everyday, Cotabato City, you know, like, ayun, kung gusto niyo ng...
Fuck bro, everything's so
kung
bad
gusto-
eh. Sa
Kung gusto
Pilipinas.
niyo mag-COD everyday, yan. Cotabato,
Wala
bro.
nga lang respond. Respond rate is 0.
Walang respawn rate though, pero like, yeah, it's pretty bussin' there. Yun, plans for... Okay, sabihin ko na lang siguro for plans na for 2025 for PR, I guess, right now, thanks to, yun, kay Boscal, to his freaking efforts.
Oh, yeah.
Kaya kung napapansin nyo from the start of this podcast, kung hopefully, consistent pa rin kami, we've been consistently popping out content sa PR Place. It's because of Boss Khalil. Siya yung, kumbaga, siya yung nagiging,
Spearhead.
spearhead. He's spearheading. He was like, guys, y'all fell off. Fuck y'all, bro. What are y'all doing? Tang ina, it's time to wake up. We have a city to burn, Samurai. Gumanon siya. And we're like, oh yeah, let's do it. Thanks,
Tulog
Boss
ka
Khalil,
pa ba? Gumising
for,
ka na.
for whipping us back into shape. Hopefully everything's working out. And for PR, abangan nyo lang, we're just gonna keep it consistent. Okay, yun lang yun namin. Yun lang siguro mapapromise namin ngayon na we're gonna try our best to dish out more content for you guys.
Before ako lumipat, tama.
Before
ako-
lumipat si
Tama,
John,
tama.
ano pa ba? Yun lang naman eh. We just
Before tayo
we
lumipat?
wanna bring back 20 something 20 ano kailan ba tayo nagsimula?
2020.
2020. We wanna bring back 2020 PR. And we just wanna we wanna show you guys that we still have it. Okay. And other than that, we also have plans, of course. Itong podcast sana maging weekly na rin siya. Ano pa ba? Rewards for our members and Patreons and all that. Pero more on that on another video, I guess. Hindi dito sa podcast na to. Yeah, we just wanna give back to the community again by bringing our content back as well. So, yun lang. That's our plans for 2025. Kung mayroon pa man mga pasabog, abangan nyo na lang sa mga individual channels namin or sa mga susunod na videos. But other than that, I'm just gonna say that PR is backing back. Motherfuckers. So,
We are cooking, okay?
we are cooking. So let us fucking cook. Yun lang.
Are we cooking?
We are
Are we
cooking.
cooking? I don't know, bro. You know who's cooking though? These Patreons who are still freaking how are you guys still subscribed?
Ano
You guys-
Patreon? Wala Patreon
you
dito.
guys,
gago.
you guys deserve better, bro. Ayan, yung Patreon na yan. Lumalabas yan. That guy. Ayan. See that guy? Oh my God. This guy's still dishing out so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. But, yan. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod naming, mga pasabog. And, kayo guys, anything you guys wanna say
Thank you sa
before we
Patreon.
go?
Pakit 2024.
2024.
Legit, literal.
Legit, fuck you 2024. 2025, we're the ones who gonna fuck you. Okay? We're gonna
Yo, what the
we're gonna
fuck?
we're gonna raw dog 2025, bro.
We're gonna look you in the
We're
eye.
gonna- We're gonna raw dog it, take it from the back, and then no, give it from the back. Sorry, we're not taking anything from the back. All right, that's what 2024 did to us. Okay, sorry, my bad. My bad.
Shoutout kay Royce.
Kay Boss Royce. Okay, ano bang gusto mo pasalamat kay Royce?
Nung
Basta Royce
road
for
trip
being
kami.
Royce.
Nung nag-Cebu kayo, nag-road trip kami.
Nag-Cebu?
Ay, nag-ano kayo, ano yan? Bohol kayo, nag-road trip kami.
Ayun.
Nag-bootcamp
Thank you
sila.
so much.
Pro,
Nag-bootcamp
naging pro,
kami.
pro
Bootcamp
players
sila.
sila. Pro plays.
Alright. Let's wrap it
Ayan,
up.
that's it. Thank you so much, guys. And also, sana nandito na to kung pinapakinggan nyo to sa Spotify, thank you for the support.
Spotify
For
tayo?
yeah, we're gonna put this on Spotify, bro. It's probably right there right now, bro. Sheesh. And follow us on our socials. Facebook, Pinoy's Place, Pinoy's Realm. I don't know. kung may
Instagram.
may TikTok na rin
Instagram
kami, TikTok.
TikTok.
TikTok namin.
Instagram, active
abangan nyo
Instagram
doon.
natin.
Pinoy's Place, ewan ko doon kung may ano pa yon yung Pinoy's Place. Ay, Pinoy's Tales.
Pinoy's Tales.
Pinoy's Tales.
Pinoy's Reacts?
Pinoy's Reacts. Who knows, man. But yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for all the support. Siguro, one of the best moments para sa amin is you guys who are still watching us right now, this 2025. And hope you guys continue to do so. Thanks for all the support. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.